What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. Jay Seals will be here later. He's got a dental appointment or something like that he's headed to. And yeah, we'll get it popping like that. But first of all, thank you guys so much for giving us a little bit of your time. Thank you for stopping into the Trader Shop. I hope you guys had a blessed and awesome Memorial Day weekend. Shout out to all my vets out there. Navy is the best branch. Just saying. Just get that out of the way. You're not in the Navy, you don't know what you're doing. Anyway, just kidding. But before we get into anything, obviously we're here. We're gonna go through our pre-market plan. We're gonna go through everything that the market, everything that I'm seeing in the market that I think you need to be aware of, right? But before we do that, you already know we got a little bit of housekeeping, right? So make sure you guys tip the barbers. Number one, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. Also, make sure you're watching the videos, using those coupon codes, right? Using those links in the descriptions, right? To make sure that you can, help us kind of build, right? Brother needs a new camera. Brother needs some new headphones. You see, I got these big, gigantic headphones that I got for the cheap, you know what I'm saying, on Amazon the other day. But the reason why is because, man, I ain't got enough affiliate links. I'm just kidding, yeah. I bought these. I did not know they was going to be this big. I had no clue that they were going to be this big. And yeah, it is what it is. But they work, right? They work. I'm no longer like fiddling with my head and, trying to make sure that they don't come off my head. Everything is sitting. So I'm not upset about it at all. Also, if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, the link to the Discord is in the description down below. You can use wap.com. You can basically use PayPal. You can use, cryptocurrency. Don't ever send us cryptocurrency. I'm just joking about the crypto, but it is an option, right? You can use regular debit, all that good stuff. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. The price will never go up or down for you, but the price will go up in the future, right? But if you lock in those prices, you're good to go. Also, like I said, go watch those videos that Justin's putting out. Top-down analysis. I just put it out on Tuesday. I saved it. I normally put it out on Mondays, but I saved it because one, Monday was a holiday, and two, I just want to give some exclusivity to the Discord. So they had it on Sunday. They watched me record it. They had it on Sunday and Monday, and I just gave it out to the public on Tuesday. So far, so good in regards to that particular plan. Looks like we're getting a lot of selling that's coming into this market to start the day. But without further ado, what's going on, Jonathan? Without further ado, let's jump right into the pre-market plan. And then we'll just kind of guide you guys from there. Let me know if the music's too loud. It's loud in my ear, but I don't think it's loud in you guys. It shouldn't be too loud. I like it loud, though. So anyway, all right. So pre-market plan, here we go. All right, so we're going to start with the NASDAQ, work our way over to the ES. I'll discuss the volatility index, and then I'll talk about the MAG 7, okay? So the plan that I have is quite simple, right? It's another defense by the bulls at the low, right? And it could bring us into a range between the 1 hour and the 90-minute supply zone, but it appears to be just a pit stop before potentially heading to all-time highs. It doesn't mean I'm only looking to long the market. Right? I need you to understand that I'm very aware structurally that the low right here needs to bring an all-time high in order to be valid. Or this selling, the seller from here is going to defend, which he did, tap into this liquidity, and then we're coming all the way back down and we're going to take out these lows. Guaranteed. All right. So bearish, what am I looking for? I'm looking to short weak rallies, which has already happened in the overnight session, into 90-minute supply at 18,979 through 19,02250, and look to target this 1 hour demand / previous day low right here, right? If we get below the previous day low, my entire plan is going to change. I'm just going to throw that out there. Not necessarily change, but I'm going to adjust because I understand what that means, right? So previous day low or below 18,835 is going to bring more bearish activity. However, if my thesis is correct, right, currently I'm looking for buyers to defend this 1 hour demand at 18,908.50 through 18,886.50. We can look to long the market targeting 90-minute supply, right, at this might be actually a bit long coming in here, but 90-minute supply at 18,979, right? And through 19,022. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I'm trying to get long in this market real quick, man. All right. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, so and then if we get above the all-time high, right, it's just to the moon, guys. Like at the end of the day, the market's bullish. It's trying to be bullish. You can continue to try to short this market if you like, and eventually you're going to be right. But as it stands currently, the market is very, very bullish, and I think you should play it accordingly. So it does have an opportunity for the shorts up here, though. This is a very good opportunity for them to break through some liquidity and really push this market down. But I don't know, it ain't looking too good. The 90-minute and the 1 hour do look like rejection, though. I'll say that for now, but we'll see what happens. So moving right along to ES. If we're looking at ES, the S&P 500 looks a little bit different. So I have this purple box, right, which is a representation of the 90-minute supply zone here, right, that ES has not yet broken, but NQ is well above, right? NQ is basically where ES's 4 hour supply zone is, and NQ is already past this structure. So what you want to see is NQ basically get above all-time highs, which then should propel ES into 5350. But ultimately, they're both kind of in that little range between 1 hour demand and 90-minute supply, and then 45-minute demand and 4 hour supply. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for buyers to defend the same area, right? 45-minute demand at 53.24.75, right? Through 53.18.75, and then we can look to long the market again, targeting first the point of origin at 53.31 through 53.42, and then finally 53.50 through 53.68, which is all-time highs, right? So very, very simple plan. Obviously, we have another support, which is basically the lows at 53.16. We get below that, then again, same thing as on NQ, my thesis will start to be adjusted, right? Because that's going to be significant break of structure for me, right? So, let me mute Justin real quick. There we go. All right, so ultimately, what we're looking for is for the market to defend here and push back above all-time highs. Essentially, that's the next level. That's the next thing that the market should be targeting, which should be the all-time high. And if it does, we'll be right. If it doesn't, we'll be wrong, and we'll just have to adjust our thesis, right? Like no big deal. So let's take a look at the volatility index and see if there's any support from that thesis over there. So we take a look at the VIX, right? On the 1 hour, I have it inverted, but let's go back to the regular version because it's kind of hard to talk about it when it's inverted, but it makes me feel good when I'm looking at it inversion style. So what you want to see from the volatility index, if you're going to be a bear, in my opinion, right? What I would want to see if I was a bear is I would want to see the VIX start to get more aggressive, right? We're currently sitting at weekly lows, monthly lows on the VIX, and we're about 3 points away from all-time lows on the VIX. That's not a situation where I would be looking to short the market, right? If the market's gonna be short or bull, you want the VIX to be on your side because that's basically telling you where the buying is coming, the buying or the selling is coming from, and if it's strong or not. Right now, the strength just isn't with the bears in regards to the VIX, right? Whether it be low participation, low fear, or whatever it is, right? Ultimately, there's just not a lot of people looking to short the market right now for whatever reason. There it is, right? And if that's the case, I'm not saying you can't short the market. I'm just saying, for me, I need to have certain things on my side. And right now, they're just not lining up. So, so if we go into the Mag 7, right? So let's go to the Mag 7. And let's look at Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla. And you can see all of them had an aggressive rally to start their pre-market session. I mean, NVIDIA gapped up nasty style, right? NVIDIA gapped up nasty from 1,068 all the way into 1106 in the overnight trading, which tells me that it's also being very aggressive still, even at these all-time highs. You look at NVIDIA's potential price action at the end of the year. Trading Yogurt, can you mute your mic? You and Eddie. At the end of the year, so their projected price action or their projected price level is 1,200, right? We're only at 11, right? So as long as they continue to buy these stocks, right? There's no, I shouldn't say no reason, because there's always reason to short the market depending on your thesis, right? But right now, the market is continuing to be bullish. So for me, I'm just going to stay not hands off, but I'm going to be cautiously looking for shorts at particular levels. This particular level that we are at right now is a good area to start looking to short the market, right? Like it's a really good area, but the things have to line up for me to get short. So those are my thoughts on the market. And oh, we got Jay in the building. What's up, Jay?
Yeah, what's up? Sorry, I was late. I had a dentist appointment, and I think I'm also like delayed on here, but I hear you just fine. But like, just looking at myself,
I hear you just fine.
Well, that's a little bit better.
You're a little bit laggy, but I mean, I'm used to it at this point. You become the new me.
Yeah, I don't know. Something's been going on with my internet. But yeah, I was looking at the market before I left because I had to get up a bit earlier today. I was just kind of doing some charting in the background, but for me, this overnight low is going to be what's key, because that overnight low put in that new high. So on ES and NQ, so if we can get below the overnight low, then I think that'll shift the character for us to look for shorts. Until we get below that overnight low, especially on NQ, I'm not looking to short the market. I don't necessarily want to long the market either, but if we can break this overnight low and come back up and retest, then I'll look for shorts down to this 15 minutes demand zone that I have down here. This 15-minute demand zone is pretty nice. It caused a bounce overnight on the Sunday overnight session into Monday. So I kind of like this area for potential longs. But I want to see us get below the overnight low before I look for shorts, just to make sure that we're 100% changing character, because I don't want to get caught trying to short the market too early, and then we just continue to rally up and we end up breaking all-time highs. So I just don't want to be a first seller, and I think that we're still kind of in first seller territory. So that's what I'm looking for on ES and NQ to go short. And then to long the market on both of them, I just want to see us be able to break over the high. Once we're able to break over the highs, I can go ahead and look for longs to kind of target all-time highs and maybe even higher. But I don't want to look for I want to make sure the market's still in that kind of uptrend before I start looking for longs as well. So it's kind of where I'm at with the market right now. Just going to be kind of patient.
All right, dope. Jonathan Brunette, I don't think you've ever been before. Maybe, my memory be sucking. So True Dooku in the building says Grand Rising Hobbs. Good morning. Malik Yashay says, I was short yesterday at 9:50 on NQ at 11:58. Yesterday, 11:58 Central, but didn't ride. Oh, Brett, I was about to say, what are you doing getting short on a half day, 2 minutes before the close? I'm like, yo, I was right at that point too, apparently, but didn't trade Tokyo. Yeah. Yeah, we took longs in the Tokyo session last night. I'm long again now. This is my second long in this area. I didn't lose either one of the trades, but I wasn't willing to accept the risk until I saw what I wanted to see. And now that I've seen the aggressive sell down and then the defense by the Bulls, I was a little bit more comfortable getting long. So I got long now, but we'll see what happens. Good morning, Trading Yoga Girl. Hope you're doing well. But yeah, we killed the market last night. I think it was Monday. It was crazy because Monday, the holiday, we ate good on the market, which I wasn't expecting to trade. Like I literally got up to walk the dog, and I always look at the charts, right, no matter what, from my phone, just to see what the market's doing. And I was like paper trading the market, and I'm like, yo, we keep holding this level. I think I actually want to take this trade. So I got up, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. So I told the Discord, like, I'm long. I was like, I wasn't planning on trading, but I'm long, and it worked out pretty good. And then the Tokyo session brought really, again, it was just really slow price action, but it was really good price action. Like when I say good, it wasn't pulling back at all. It was just straight up. I was like, I'm with the shits on this one. Send it. So Short King, Shirt King, yeah, that's me. You stupid. You spelled short right the first time, and then you wrote shirt. Dude, what's wrong with your internet? You want to reset your shit? You like super blurry.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Let me reset my computer and come back. I don't know what's going on.
That's weird, man.
Yeah, it is.
I ain't never seen it this bad.
Oops. Yeah, I don't know. Or let me try closing down my.
You're clear now, but.
Nah, it's not. It's really laggy. Like I don't know what's going. Well, hold on. Let me try this real fast.
Do you shut your computer down during the weekend or?
No, not normally. Let me see.
Because we're running so much stuff. Like I try to make sure I shut my computer down every time I'm done trading it or messing around with it. I just shut it down. Justin, can you please put ES Bookmap on the core, please? No rush. Thank you. How was Memorial Day for you two gentlemen? Thank you for your service, professors, but on the field and the streets, aka Wall Street.
On the streets.
Yeah, I mean it was good. It was good. We're looking kind of shaky up here, man. Real shaky. What are we gonna do here, guys? What are we gonna do? Yeah, that's why I keep like playing around with it, because it looks like on the tape we want to take this. Like we want to go higher, but we playing games up here, so I'm gonna take my little. That's why I keep going to break even so fast, because I know that I can get a good trade in this area, and maybe we sweep, but I'm not willing to sit through a deep sweep of this area. I'd rather us just push up from here. Exactly. No. It's a right now it's a 10-point scout that I could fucking lock in 7 points right here, which I just might do. We'll see what happens. Yeah, and we keep rejecting premium up here at 24, so. You're right. I think that's what Justin's saying too. Is like you don't want to see that area broken, because that's gonna signify. Yeah, I'm out of this thing. That's gonna signify. Yeah, this might be the actual mall coming back. Yeah, no, there's a lot of confluences down here, but the sellers just are getting a little bit too strong for my blood. We'll see what happens though. After the show, I'm going to need to show me how to trade Top Step X on my phone. I don't trade on my phone. Yeah, I think that's Valdez that trades from his phone. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, everybody.
Now there's a way to do it. You gotta change your you gotta go into your phone settings on the internet, and you gotta change it to like desktop mode or whatever, and then you can see it on your phone. That's what Emmett said.
That's what Emmett said. And I have zero desire to do any of that. So,
and then
we had. My wife said we had way too many kids at our house this weekend. Yeah, we had a house full of children. Like it was like Memorial Day for children at my house. Crazy. Good morning, Micaiah. Good morning. Gold is moving. Nice scouts. Yeah. That's what I'm doing over here on NQ. I'm just scalping it for 10 points because it keeps coming down aggressively. So every time it comes down or every time it reaches a high, I just get out for 5 or 10 points. And then once it's ready to go, I'll get back in. It'll break the high and then come back down. I'll get back in. But I mean, just with those scalps, I'm up $150 in a day. So I'll take that all day. What's going on, Eric? What's up, Jay?
I do want to pay attention to Top Step TV today. I'm curious to see what their announcement's going to be. They just tweeted about it, or
I'm certain
tweeted, but
somebody
they just put something out in the Discord.
You ain't gotta pay attention. Somebody's gonna come in and tell you. Yeah, somebody's gonna let us know. Dang, it's raining like a mofo outside. Ooh, I like it. All right.
Yeah, I just got their stream going. I got it muted, but their chat will go crazy whenever. I'll just pop back over there and see.
Just can't wait. He like, I want to know.
I want to know what they got brewing.
Yeah, word on the street is 1 to 5. 5 express funded.
5? That's not bad.
That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting from the streets. These top step streets.
Five would be five. Five is fine.
I mean, as long as they increase it, I'm cool with whatever they want to do.
That's better than 3, and I feel like 10 might be a little too much. That might be a little too apex.
Yeah, maybe they want to just work their way into 10, right? So, all right. I did, but couldn't move my stop, so I went back to the computer. I need to get back to my roots. Day ones, no, yeah, we know, Mr. Target.
Roots of shopping and trading.
Yeah, we know, Mr. Walmart. Yeah, we're very much aware of your shenanigans, sir. We're very much aware of your shenanigans, sir. Man, we're just creepy crawling up here, trying to get up there and break that high, but we still have a little bit of liquidity that we could come back down here and get, but I'm more inclined to believe that we bounce from here. Let's see what happens. Where's London? There's Tokyo. Tokyo's down here, but yeah.
What up, African Drake? How's it going, my African Drake brother?
Low-key, I thought we had somebody new called African Drake, and I realized you was probably just talking about Boyd. That's funny. All right, 920 macro is hitting. We're trading into the macro bullish. Let's see if we take a dive down, heading into 930, coming down to the lows to take out the previous day low or settlement price. I'm flat in this area. I took it long, took a couple scalps in the area, made money, but I just didn't trust that we would break the high without taking out these lows first. So I'm gonna wait to see if we come down deeper, lower first, and then I'll look to actually take a trade, or I'll allow this to break and then wait for the retest of this break.
Yeah, this consolidation's pretty nasty, but I do like I do like the retest we got down there after we came down, we came down again, held that second time. So this is looking like a larger inverse head and shoulders kind of forming.
ES chart on the tube. You want me to show ES charts on YouTube? Oh, yeah. We can split the screen. Is that what you're saying? Split the screen?
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same. You ain't got your charts up, yoga girl? What's gonna be the difference between my charts and your charts? No, it's not gonna be any different. But yeah, there you go. I had them split because I had the volatility index in the bottom right as well. Looks like we're getting that push out of this area after all. The selling down there just didn't make me feel good. If we get above the high and we come back down, then I'll look to re-enter the trade. This music get me hyped.
Yeah, it sounds like
sounds
like Malik's band. So it sounds like Malik's band. Malik should send us some band music that's like copyright free or something.
Damn, bro. Girl, my outside look crazy right now.
I wish it was raining here.
Nah, not like this, bro. This rain looks thick.
Nah, I need it to rain.
Oh, you need the grass.
I'm right.
Put everything as you put it because the bigger picture actually looks more clear. Yeah, that's why I don't really like to watch it on split screen all the time. So I normally just watch it like this, and when I'm curious to see what ES is doing, then I go over to ES. But, I mean, there's not going to be any difference between my ES screen and your ES screen. There's not going to be any difference. There's no edge there, so to speak. But yeah, so we're coming back into this consolidation again, pulling into that 920, 930 macro bullishly. So you anticipate us kind of selling back down into structure here. But without a new high being put in, I can't trust that we're going to be going higher yet, in my opinion. So once we get above all this consolidation, I'll let all of this break, and then I'll look to play the retest of that. I'm not in any rush to take a trade this early. Made plenty of money last night. Accounts are looking really good this morning, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more patient. We got getting that doji candle on the 5-minute at the top of trend, right inside of that bearish macro, or trading bullishly inside of that macro. So let's see if the macro takes us down now, lower.
I don't know why my time in sales ain't showing any orders right now. It's weird. I'll try to change it. 3. Okay, there we go. It was showing stuff. I guess we just haven't had any big orders come through.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's really nonchalant up here. Real nonchalant up here. But meanwhile, Nvidia's going for another leg up. The rest of the market is starting to push up. So I'm more inclined to believe that the Bulls are gonna win this. I would not be a fan of shorts. I'm just saying. Not looking at how Nvidia's coming out right now. Yep, there you go.
Another head fake.
Mm-hmm.
7. Oh, not 17. 7.
All right, we're almost above that strong high up here. I want to see us, like I said, I want to see us get above this high at 34, and then I'll look to potentially trade it. But the open's right around the corner, so I don't want to jump into any of this volatility just yet. I'll wait that out. Market is well, no, market's not open. 8:28, 2 minutes left. We're looking pretty bearish at these highs, guys. Pretty bearish, but the rest of the market is looking super bullish. So we'll see what happens. I'm a fan that if we get above these highs, then I think the market could go. But if we stay in between this consolidation, I think this is potentially a nice push down. So we'll see what happens.
Oh, thanks, James. James says, I love this channel and chat. Amazing people in here. Agreed 1,000%.
Hey, thanks, man.
Go back
Appreciate
you. Jessica, you asked the African Drake to make you some copyright-free tunes. Trendy Go Girl says, thank you for coming on Saturday for that lesson.
Oh, yeah. No problem.
Boyd says, at James, I can make freestyle, but my style ain't free. Okay.
Okay. All right, here comes the selling coming in right at that open. Let's see if we hold this area, or do we continue, or do we potentially start to sell down?
And then Brian says, need some rain in Tampa. Hell yeah. Jacksonville's the same way. We ain't got rain.
Yeah, it's already over, bro. Like it's already over.
Oh, boo.
The rain already gone. Like it was raining for like a quick second, and then it just stopped.
All right, the market is officially open. I feel like we're gonna get a dynamic push to the upside, but I'm hoping we don't. I want us to go test that overnight low.
We don't. Yeah, I think I want to see the sweep of the low. That's what I want to see. One more nice aggressive sweep of the low, and I'll be a happy camper. Oh, we're looking volatile as
man. The past hour, we've done nothing but consolidated in like a 20-point range.
Yo, the amount of buying coming in down here is crazy. If the market continues to move down, look at the volume on the freaking. What are you trading today? Are you trading ES or are you trading?
No, NQ. I'm trading NQ. Thank you. I was looking at GC today too, but it's not really in an area. Whew, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
You didn't know it because you didn't trade it.
No, I mean, I'm not trying to. I'm not looking for trades right here anyway. But I wanna see us take that high.
Yeah, me too. That's what I'm waiting on. Like I'd rather be patient and wait to see if we're gonna take that high, because otherwise these are all pump fakes to go lower.
But the consolidation is nice.
She's trying to figure herself out.
Here comes a push up.
That's some aggressive buying. That's what you want to see. Yeah. All right. All-time highs. Here we come. All-time highs coming right up. Jesus, whoa. These bulls, man. They just don't know how to quit, bro.
Yeah, everything's, well, I would say everything, but Nvidia's getting a gap up and go. Apple's getting a gap up.
Oh my God. Look at Google, bro.
Yeah, Google's got a nice healthy green candle to the upside.
Google and
Microsoft is selling down as well. So obviously the stocks don't want to agree. So see what happens. But Google's pushing. Google and Nvidia are both pushing. So
yeah,
as long as those two are going.
Hey, I was about to say that might be enough. That might be enough to send this thing. Let's see what happens though. Could be a fake out here. A lot of selling just got met at those highs. All of that buying just got met with a ton of selling. A ton of selling. If they break this low, this is the true direction of price. Guaranteed.
Yeah, they might have just trapped a lot of buyers.
Yeah, they did. That might be the trap. Well, let's see.
Looks like we're going to test these lows. Ooh, what a trappy trap.
Yeah, this is that consolidation you guys want to stay, at least for me, I stay away from. This is why I cut that trade that I was in, because it just didn't look like it wanted to push out. So I was like, all right, let me just scalp it. And then if we get above the high, I'll re-enter. But this is what I try to avoid when I cut trades like that, because getting long this high up never makes me feel comfortable. So like, do I understand the potential long? Yeah, but the market may want to trade down first, right? And that's why I was trying to like just, weasel my way in and out of these trades up there. So
yeah, we also don't have any major news today. So
no, nothing.
Tomorrow should be better though.
All right, we're selling back down into this area. This is where the morning session pump came from. So let's see if it's kind of the same thesis, right? Like, so if we break these lows, then I'm more so bearish on the day. If we break the high, then I'm more so bullish. But if we stay range bound, then I'm looking to trade between this demand zone and this 90-minute supply zone. So, and here come the bulls right back. No chill, bro. No chill.
This first 5-minute candle looks like it's going to close a massive doji indecisive candle.
Yeah. First 10 minutes, first 5 minutes took us nowhere.
Oh, looks like we're coming back down a little bit. Okay.
Yeah,
it's a good finish by the Bears.
Yes, it was.
I just realized that there's arrows over there. I didn't know that. Huh. Did you realize there's arrows next to the ticker's name to tell you whether it was up or down? I did not realize that was there. I feel like that's new, but I don't know. I'm just trying.
Are you talking about? Wait, what are you talking about?
Wait, you might not be. It's on the tabs. On the.
Oh yeah, that was always there. That was always
there. Oh, I never noticed.
Maybe it wasn't, and I'm just acting like it was always there, but I'm pretty sure it was always there.
It might have always been there. It feels like something that they should have. I just never noticed that.
Yeah, the VIX is getting very comfortable with the idea of this market selling. So you're looking to get long, just be careful up here. The true move seems to be down right now. So looks like the market wants to take out these lows.
Yeah, I think once we take out that overnight low,
gauge price.
It'll be yeah.
Ooh. Let's go.
So good though.
Sit down. I'm completely comfortable with bearish activity. We need a healing. We need a healing. Come on down. All right. Woo! Smart, safe from giving back too much or any profit in that area, taking those longs this morning. I was long at 9.11 and 9.12 and cut them both for like 7 points, which essentially was a 14-point win. So cannot complain with that at all. I mean, you didn't have to because you could cut and hit.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah, that's dirty. I thought we was forming it last night too, at that Monday. It still might. Yeah, it still might. Yeah, I know what you're saying. You're saying coming back up to previous day high at 957, and then shorted it up there. Yeah, I like that. I like that area too. Yeah,
that's why I want the overnight low break.
I had 90 minute supply at 18,979, and we rejected that like to the tick. So I knew that this area was going to need to break in order for the bearish activity to continue. But I'm just more inclined to believe, because the market's been so bullish, that the bulls are going to survive this somehow. I don't know how, but they always do. So. Justin had to turn on.
Yeah, I got VWAP turned on, but I just
haven't turned on.
I don't want to take shorts until we get below the overnight low. Like I'm not even looking for shorts yet, just because of the fact that I know that area could be an area where the market wants to bounce, and then that'll be the change of character. So that's the reason why I chose the overnight low as an area to wait on. It looks like it's gonna happen kind of quicker than I thought. So then I'll just wait for the retest.
I'm going back to the shadows now.
Well, I saw it too, Malik. I saw the same thing that you saw on the. Well, I didn't see the 4 hour, but I saw the head and shoulders. That's why I specifically wanted that overnight low to break. It's like, if the head and shoulders is going to happen, we have to break that first. So I don't know. We'll see. It looks like these buyers are getting angry down here, though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they look really angry. Like, really
I don't. Like I said, I don't put nothing past these bulls, bro. That was a trap. Look at all this fucking buying.
Yeah, they look real angry down there.
That's why I said, man. Like, I see the potential, but damn, when they trap. Look at, they sold that shit all the way down and made sure everybody was bearish. Let me see the tilt. 53% short. Yep.
Yeah, not to mention VWAP's really flat right now too.
You
Yeah,
get in?
This thing look like about to go.
Yeah, she came down. She came down and just sat down there. I was like, yeah, I see that shit just sitting down there. I was like, yeah, it's a lot of bearish activity down here, but ain't nothing shaking right now. So let's see. Somehow these bulls tend to make it out. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait until this area clears. Whatever. Yeah. For me, this area is too important for me to just jump right in. I just want to see what we do. Right now, we're just ranging inside of this 15-minute candle. We could be ranging to get ready to drop, or we could be ranging because the market wants to push back up. I don't got a good read on it, so I'm just be patient. Nope.
Yeah.
Very, very weak open, in my opinion. Like really slow. Really bleh. Shit, I do. I like to be in my trade. But see, the thing is, we would have been in on that retest down. I would have been in this morning if it would have pumped like I wanted it to pump. I would have just stayed in my position, but it just didn't want to get moving. So I was like, okay, whatever this is, I don't want no part of it. You know what I mean? So when that happened, I just sit back and wait. Right now, we're just trying to gauge the sentiment here. Like what. It feels like bearish sentiment. It feels like the bears are in control, but then as soon as we come down to the low, the bulls start to get really aggressive. So I'm bullish, but I'm waiting until we break that high. And if we break the low, then I'm gonna be bearish. that's it. Those are my two plans right now. If we break the high, I'll continue to be bullish. If we break this low and close below it, then I'm gonna switch my bias to bearish. I don't give a shit which way it goes. Just break. 875. That's the previous day low. Basically, get through.
You looking for previous day low to break?
You say what?
I said you're looking for previous day low to break.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Oh no, nothing. It's a little bit higher than mine. It's all good. I just didn't know.
Yeah. What low are you looking to break?
Oh, just the overnight.
Oh, you're looking for 834 to break?
885.
You're higher than me, not the other way.
Yeah.
I'm lower than you.
Yeah.
You said higher. Oh yeah, never mind. You're right. My bad. I don't want to fuck with his disability.
Yeah.
He's like, you're a little higher, man. I'm like, wait, what? Hold on. All right, here come these shorts coming in hot. A strong push down on the 5. A lot of aggressive selling. I really like this. I just want to see us break the low and then come back up and retest. Because that buy up might have been another fake out to get the bulls horny. 66% of people are short right now, so it's got to be a winner. All right, top step pushing down. Top step pushing down. The market pushing down. I was finishing a sentence of 67% people being short on top step, and I ended up saying top step pushing down. All right. Again, nice aggressive sell down. To me, that's a change of character of this consolidation. Breaking through these lows right here at 884 is huge for the market. Just like Justin was just talking about, is getting through 885 and closing below 885 was exactly the scenario he wanted to see. So I'm assuming now he's probably just waiting for pullbacks to get short, but this market might not pull back.
Nope. We are
What's up, iClub?
Right now.
News coming. Just waiting on NVIDIA to show me she's tried. She's tired. Oh yeah. Nvidia's the market's dumping with no help from Nvidia. But if Nvidia starts to come down, we're definitely going to come down. You get your $20 yet, Malik? Jesus, bro, you scared, man? Quit being scared. Okay. Oh yeah, baby, let's get it. As soon as you said, look, as soon as you came on and said what you was looking for, I said, all right, cool. I guess we're looking for short today. The short king is in the building. He in the building. Anybody get in?
Now I'm waiting for a pullback now. But good Lord.
Yeah, I think we're moving to take out some major structure this morning. This is why I was saying, like, I wanted to get long up here, but I was more so inclined to believe if we couldn't get back above that high, we were going to go short. So there y'all go. Bing. About to be done for the day here. Come on, give me another five. Another five. That was an aggressive sell down candle right there. I think the market has made up its mind for the morning, so. Our gap is 787. Yeah, I think the market wants to dump further from here, though. Looking pretty bearish down here.
Yeah, Apple took a massive, everything took a tumble, but Nvidia's still holding, surprisingly.
Yeah, but Microsoft is coming the fuck down. It's a 50-point trade right here. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off at 50 points if we can't push through here. I ain't mad at 50 points to start the morning. But I also want to just be finished with this account. You know what? I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it, and then if we come back up to retest, as long as we don't get back above 936 on the retest, then I think I'm okay. This buy-in looks weak. We can get through this low, I think we'd be okay. Come on, sellers, break through. There you go, break through. Eat up all of that buying and break through. A lot of buying just came in right there. Oh, nope, don't like that. Nope, I'm out. I don't play around with these buyers, man. When it comes to selling the market, 40 to 50 points for me is more than enough. The minute I see these buyers come in, I'm like, nope, give me my money. I will take my bread and run. I do not play around with these buyers, man. Like, no, sir. I do not want to get caught. And 40 to 50 points is a really good trade. So I took it short for about 42 points on that. So
Nice.
On that push down from 96. Still looks good on pullbacks, but man, I just never count out these bulls, man. It's hard.
They're not playing around at this low.
They're not fucking around at this low, bro. Like that was a lot of buying to hit the tape right there. As soon as I saw that, I was like, nope, I don't even want to mess around. If it wants to break, then let it break. I'm done for the day, fellas. Have a good one. All right, Micaiah, take it easy, brother.
All right, peace,
3600 on PAs, passing 250K. Let's get it.
Killing the game.
All right, that's the dip of the Tokyo lows. Again, we've changed character. So for me, shorts is kind of like, longs is kind of like, I'll scalp longs, but short seems to be the move right now. So just whenever I'm short in the market, I think I'm gonna make a new rule that just 40 to 50 points is my target, like every time. Like I never feel comfortable holding shorts longer than that, man. Like ever. I'd be like, the new rule.
Only
short the market
in this for 30 to 40 points.
That's it, man. That's it. Which is a good trade. No, I don't think the kids are up there. I'm kind of busy, but I got them.
Bookmap does this.
Right, more selling coming in here. Nice little pullback at the high right there. It's a clean move right there down. See if the market wants to continue to sell down here.
Yeah, we came back down there aggressively.
Mm-hmm. It's just a random spot for price to stop right here. So I think the market still wants lower.
All right. I'm gonna try a long down here based off of all this buying that I'm seeing.
That's an aggressive ass buyer right there.
I can take it back up at least to here.
Fucking Nvidia, man. This thing is almost at 1200 right now. This is crazy.
Good. If the rest of the stocks can just get on board, this long might just work out.
They're definitely clearing the tape, but I don't know.
Oh, because we got news coming up soon.
I think
which actually could be a bad thing.
I don't know. VIX is starting to warm up a little bit to 52. I don't know. I can't call it, so I'm just stay out until. Right now, it looks bearish.
It does look bearish. We look at very consolidatorial right now.
$950 macro. We traded into the $950 macro a little bit bullish. So let's see if we come out bearish. On the other side of 1010. Volatility is just so freaking low. Like the participant, I feel like we had more price action than this on Memorial Day.
Nah, no, we didn't. It was just it just chose a direction all day.
That's
really
true. That's true.
It just it just shows a direction. But I looked at the volume yesterday. It was actually like pre-market type volume. It just was straight up. They were just like, we're not going to try to stop these bulls.
Yeah.
So far, so good though.
Still a lot of buying.
If we can just push this high, I'll be good. Okay, we're not.
He said, okay, we're not. All right. Darn, Trader Bay, I logged in to start the day and somehow found myself, in one contract on ES that I didn't even know. But as all did, what was the check? What was check my charts yesterday? Down 500 for no reason. Damn, man, that sucks, man. I thought it was gonna end well, but as I started,
I know no one of those stories always.
Yeah, no one of those stories
man, I messed up. I was in a contract, but I'm up 1,000. No. We're definitely. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more space on this, just in case. Give myself
news at 9 points.
News at 9. I'm gonna give myself 20 points just in case we run this low. We're just holding it right here. I'll give myself a little bit of extra room.
Yeah, it looks like they're buying pretty aggressively here, but just need to get above the high.
Yeah.
Ooh, good long, Justin. These boys are coming.
Yeah, they're trying. They're trying.
Oh, God. Oh,
then they get slapped.
Jeez.
Yeah, we're just consolidating down here, probably for this news. That's why I gave it a little bit longer than the low, just in case.
That was terrible.
It was pretty deadly, wasn't it?
At the high, that was terrible. I was like,
that was pretty.
Never mind.
Yeah, but they ended right back up.
There we go, Justin. There we go, Justin. We got to the high, and it was like, shut up.
You thought you was going where?
You thought you was going where? Y'all been buying all weekend. Shut your ass up. You couldn't even take a day off for Memorial Day. See what we want to do. Looking good. Let's get it. What's your target? Just back up to the high, or sweep?
Yeah, I'm targeting back up to that high. I think we're gonna get back into the high before ultimately coming down lower. But we will see. We should now be in bearish character, but I think I can profit on the long. But dang, these bears just coming in strong.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that a lot of people are probably leaning toward the short side right now. Yep, 68% of people right now are short. So that's actually.
I mean, the VIX is good. The VIX is screaming go short, so I'm not taking longs just yet. I want us to come back a little bit higher to take the short. Like, I like Justin's long because of his target. I don't think he's staying for a long time. He's staying for a scalp.
Pretty much.
Like shorts. I'm pretty much liking the idea of shorting the market up here. I just want to, because the buying doesn't look as strong as it has been. I just think everybody's just waiting to see where NVIDIA is going to top out at. And once NVIDIA starts topping out, the rest of the market will start to follow, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Because ES is damn near, ES is coming down too, so we'll see.
Yep, ES is pretty much I thought ES was pretty much doing the same thing that NQ is doing, but it's not.
It is not. It is not. But I still think your short could work because of your target, right? Like I think we come back up and sweep that high first before we come down. So let's see what happens.
Now, here comes the news.
I would prefer us coming back up.
What up, Jonah?
Yeah, what up, Joe? Jonah, I took a short, bro. And I won on the trade. Took a short. Get that shit out of the way. Now I can look for longs the rest of the day. Oh, okay. Yeah. Justin's in longs right now, trying to get the retracement, but I don't know if this retracement is gonna work out. This shit, these bears looking like they're getting aggressive, and the VIX is starting to get really warmed up to the idea.
I'm looking at ES. ES is looking hella weak. We'll see.
Yes, it's coming down, baby. Yo, street in the Range Rover.
Yeah, we just broke that. Right
Come
there.
on down, please come down. Like, guys, as much as I'm a bull, like I really. Here comes Nvidia. Nvidia's starting to push down now. I think this is what the market was waiting on, is just a retracement on Nvidia, and we just got it. But we're starting to get a red candle here on the 15 after closing with a nice 15-minute doji. Okay, whatever that news was, it brought all the volume into the market. So let's see what the market wants to do with it, whether it be bearish or bullish volume. The VIX is back up to 70 right here. So again, I don't hate Justin's trade because I know what he's trying to do, but it don't seem like these bears. It don't seem like these bulls are trying to give. These bears are trying to give up a retracement.
This one's gonna work out here.
They don't want to give these bulls no hope. They like, nah, y'all been tripping. Y'all need to calm y'all ass the fuck down. Let's see if the bulls defend the low here. They've been defending it so far, so let's see. What's up, bud? I don't think you need to be tooting your horn too soon. These bulls have no chill, bro. Good, man. Congrats, bro. Congratulations. I'm not gonna cheer you on for getting freaking 4 points over there because you were scared to get them. Go get your damn money. Good defense, Justin. That's really good right there. That's really good. He just needed to make 20 to get funded. His ass was taking his damn time. I'm like, bro, go make this. He had it. He had it. He could have got it on Memorial Day. He was like, no, I'm just gonna wait. I'm like, bro, go make the $20. I'm sure you can make $20. $20. I'm in long with Justin. Once I saw that failure, I was like, that's all I needed.
Yeah, I had to hold through some. BS.
I had to hold through some. It's all good though. Like if they hold this low, I'm getting long because Nvidia just rejected that sell off. They were like, no. So I got 64.25. So
nice. Yeah, I'm in at 54. So
nice.
I'm up about 30 points right now.
Let's get it. I don't need much. Oof.
All right, I can go ahead and break
and another 10 points. I'll be done for the day. I'll work on the other accounts by the end of the week. But these three, I have a copy trading 3 accounts right now that I'm trying to take up to 1,500 on the day. I reorganized everything so these accounts are closest to renewal dates. So that's why I just kind of lumped them together so that I can be a little bit more aggressive on them and not really worry about anything, because I know if I lose, then they'll just reset in 10 days anyway. So
yeah, that makes sense.
Just looking for 94 to pop and I'll be done. But this is the closure of that gap, so we don't want to see this fail right here. We just closed that gap at 87. I'm just looking for a nice clean push into the daily fib at 96, and I'll be done. Oh, come on, don't do it.
No, we look good. We look good. We're coming back up. Just want to see this break here.
I'm good with the loss. I waited for everything I wanted. I got everything I wanted out of the trade. I wish I would have gotten it a little bit sooner, but I just wanted to see the bears in pain first. And I wanted to see the bulls defend. And at the low, the bulls were defending once. And when it came down to the second time, the aggressive buying came in. I was like, okay, that's where I want to get in. And I want to put my stop below that buying. So.
What are we doing here, Bulls?
It's that gap closure area again. But as long as we start to push above it, I think.
Yeah. Apple's pushing.
Google's the market looks good. The stock market looks really
pushing,
good. Yeah, so. The stock market looks like they just trapped a lot of bears. That's what it looks like in the stock market. And the tilt went from 53% or 40%, 53% short to 72% long. I was like, oh, okay.
Let's see. They announce anything yet?
Set it all over it. So you like,
they like people are saying more XFAs, more XFAs.
Yeah. That's the plan.
They there. More XFAs. That's funny.
All right, I'm out. Okay, I'm definitely.
Let's go. I'm still in. I'm looking for 915 first, and then if we look bullish at 915, then I'm looking for 935.
Let's get it. I'll root you on. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I traded Memorial Day. I traded Tokyo session. I was like, after I get these accounts to 1500 today, I don't care how many other accounts I got. I'm done with it. One more low, Asia low from yesterday. If not, we fly for the high price. Yeah. 906. Yeah, I think we could potentially go lower, but I wasn't looking to hold this. I was just looking to get it pushed. Just a quick push into 94 just to finish my day off, finish my morning off clean. But we got Asia low sitting at about, I don't know, depending on how you look at it, at 36, right? So we just basically tapped into that with the retest of 38. So let's see if we continue to come down after this closure of this gap here, and if the bears start to take control, because the VIX was pushing. But then it just completely reversed, and the entire stock market reversed. So looking at those as confluences, I think the market's going to continue to go to all-time highs today, in my opinion. Now the VIX selling back down to 60, which again, just another indication that there's more buying coming in. And then we got ES bouncing off of that support, right? So if we looked at our counterpart here. The plan for ES was, hey, if we get through this low, watch to see what happens at this support at 53.1650. You see, we tapped right into that area exactly. So let's see if the market wants to hold on to this and continue to find more buying, or do we start to sell down? Right now, it's a toss up, because the market is between going bearish or.
Wait, did he just end up? Yep, he did. I was sitting here looking out here. Well, right now, guys, I'm still in these longs. We're bouncing in between VWAP, the 50% of the entire up and down move, and then the overnight low. So I'm just being cautious here. If we continue to push through all of this, though, then I'll be good. I'll be good. That was funny, bro. That was funny. It said, right now I'm up about 40 points right now. So I'm just kind of chilling, seeing what we do with these highs, see if we can break above these highs or not. If we break above these highs, I think the bears will be in a lot of pain if we can get above these highs.
Rejoin the VC.
That was funny.
My computer got cut off again. It kicked me out right mid-sentence. I was like, dang.
Oh, we know. Valdez started laughing immediately. So did I. I was like, what happened? I went back to the stream. I was like, oh, yep. That was a computer.
I don't even remember what I was saying. It was so disrespectful. I was like, damn, you couldn't even let me finish my sentence? All right, Market. I mean, computer, damn.
All right, Market. You can't even let me finish my sentence.
Yeah, let me finish my sentence, bro. Justin, I think this one could go to all-time highs. You in the funding?
No. I didn't open up my funded yet because I was scared that I wasn't gonna have enough time to pre-market plan today. So I was like, nah, let me not. So, but I am in one that's I'm up 51K in this account currently though.
Man,
so
go trade the funded, make you some damn money, bro.
I'm trading the funded tomorrow for sure. But I will feel a lot more comfortable when I get another one damn near close to being funded, kind of like Valdez was saying. But I'm up 600 right now on this trade, so it's looking good. Securing 300 right now on this trade.
Could have been a $600 day. You could have been bragging about.
Look at here, wifey. Look at that is true. That is true. You're right.
I'm just saying, don't. That's what took you so long to pass the last one, because you kept putting it off, you know, for whatever reason. You know what I mean? So just now fucking go head on, man. Huh?
So I'm gonna fund it today.
All right.
Start trading it tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a full day, so I guess I had a full day today.
15-minute candle looks absolutely outstanding for you guys. So good, clean trade, man. Wish I would have took it on my live account, but that's all right. My focus was on these. Like, that's another thing I was working on this weekend, which is it's like narrowing my focus down to, you know, just what I'm working on at the moment, right? Like sometimes I try to be everywhere, right? That's one of my downfalls. You know what I mean? So knowing that, matter of fact, let me go get my children awake now that I'm back before my wife kills me. I'll be right back, guys. Get these motherfuckers up. Wait.
All right, we're looking good. Thinking about going ahead and securing like most of my contracts up here. Yeah, I'm thinking about securing a large majority of contracts here, and then just letting the last two run. Yeah. Yeah, all right, I went ahead and took 5 of my contracts off right there before we got that little dump. I would much rather kind of secure profit there and then allow for this last kind of bit to go ahead and do its thing. Because I was up pretty massively right there, and I'm not willing to give back all that profit. I mean, I was up 50 points, so I basically took 50 almost. Well, I took about 40 points right there. Unless I'm about to get stopped out for the remaining profit. But the way I look at it is like even if I get stopped out, it's fine. But yeah, I'm in larger size, so I can take profit at highs. So I might as well take a profit at that high, just in case. As a matter of fact, I like where it's at. I'll secure another 100. That's a 30-point move right there.
How we doing?
That's
Jay?
me. Oh, I secured some profit up at that high. That's me not being greedy. I was like, let me not be greedy. We like Valdez like, yeah, we're starting to stall. I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and take some profit right here. So I took some profit, and now I'm just letting. I got my last profit target sitting at 877. So if I get stopped out, then that's an extra basically $95.
Let's get it.
I got to get that greed out of my system. And when you have
profits, man, you gotta become a trader.
You gotta take those.
You gotta become a trader and not a money grabber, right? Like,
yeah.
Like the greed comes from, you know, being a gambler and thinking you can't do it again. As a trader, you have a skill that you can repeat, right? So there's no need to be greedy if you can always go in and do it again, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
when things start to switch up and change, like this is now looking extremely bearish, right? Now you gotta adjust and don't be fighting this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's looking like it's gonna reverse, maybe it ain't for you to stick around. You know what I'm saying? You could always get back into the trade. You can always create a new trade, right?
Exactly.
If this goes off and goes higher without you, so be it. You know? Yeah, like I definitely did a lot of soul searching this weekend myself, just trying to make sure that I'm on a consistent path, right? And that's why, like, you saw me, like, I was bobbing and weaving this morning, really protecting my capital, because like I know that I can get trades, but I also know when I'm trading in a shaky area, right? Like I knew where I was trading this morning was shaky, right? So I was like, all right, if I trade this is how I'm going to trade it. If I'm in profit, I'm going to break even, and then I'm going to take 5 to 10 points. Every time we came down, I loaned it 5 to 10 points. I'm out. 5 to 10 points. I'm out. And then we finally dropped, and then I caught the big move down, and then I caught a little bit of the move up, and my day is done. Instead of longing that, holding it to stop loss, taking a loss, which is what I used to do, hold it to stop loss, take the loss, miss the short, try to re-short it at the low, take another loss, right? And then miss the long, you know? So I'm over it.
Yeah, no, I agree. That's why I went ahead and just took my profit where I took profit. This thing could continue to move up, but can't be mad taking 50 points and then like I think it was like 30 or something like that. Yeah, because I was about to get back like half of my profits if I would have let it go down, and then I'd have been sick because I was up 600 and I let it go back down to 300. That'd have been sickening. So I took like 90% off up there that high.
No, you don't need. Sorry, Justin. Eddie just got his 250K approved. I mean, he just got it. He just passed it. Congratulations, brother. And no, you don't need to trade it 7 minimum days. Unless the sale's over. But
nah, it's till June 15th.
It still should be 1 day to pass. So.
Oh yeah. It's 1 day pass, and June 15th is when the $85 thing comes off. So you're good. Nice job, Eddie.
Good job, brother. Good job.
What's up, Custom?
Yeah, no, like Eddie, what I would suggest is do not trade it the way that you got it, right? I would suggest you go down to like 1 mini, bro, and just build it up day by day. No problem. I would suggest that you build it up day by day and trade it like a 50K account, 1 mini. Because once you reach payout on those things, it's hard not to not get a payout, because your threshold to be available for funding, be available for a payout is so high that when you take the payout, it still leaves you with basically the same drawdown as a 50K or 100K. It leaves you with like 3,300 if you only make the 63 or whatever it is you need to get a payout. So like, to me, like, they have so much value. Like, this thing is going, guys, going. Oh, if you guys are long in this thing, man, kill this shit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm literally just calling price. Live Futures Trading says, I got $400 left to pass, struggling not to enter into another trade. Love your advice regarding being a gambler and a trader. Yeah, man, don't take trades because you need a certain number. Take trades because they match a process that you use. And then the result is that number is going to come, right? When I was, 200-300 away from hitting 1,500 on a day, and I could have just FOMO'd into the short, or worse yet, held the short to this point, just because I wanted the extra 20-30 points that I needed. But instead, dang, this is a lot of selling coming in at the high.
Ooh, what a rejection.
Oh, you just saw it? I'm like,
yeah, I just looked up.
I'm like, yeah, you late as hell. I'm like,
no, I was late. I was looking at something. I looked up. I was like, ooh. Ooh, look at that.
I talked about it, reacted to it, and you were like, woo! I'm like, Justin,
it needed extra energy. This thing might be coming down, y'all. That was a hell of a rejection.
That was aggressive. That was an aggressive rejection. Dang, I ain't got the big stuff no more. Oh, my computer killing me. I forgot TradingView actually need to fix that. Right? Anytime I restart my computer or do anything, it goes back to the original format of like whatever screen I was watching last. right? So like, oh, VIX is getting jumpy. Oh no, it's getting rejected. Yo, this VIX is all over the place right now. I think if the sellers are going to come in, they're going to come in right here, guys. Like, I would be very, very cautious of holding longs beyond this point. Very cautious.
Oh, here they come though. They're coming right back up.
It's just, bro, it's market. We're just gonna play games today, I guess.
I don't know.
To me, we broke out to the downside and we kind of chose a side, but where we broke out to, I mean, the fact that we held Tokyo lows is just so bullish that I can't be bearish. You know what I mean? Like I can't be. I damn near need to see one more leg down for me to officially come on hold to the bearish side. Like I need to see them come one more leg down. Just come down one more time. Then I'm like, oh, okay. Y'all actually try to sell.
I think this might be it.
Could be.
I don't know. I got short at 8.5. So.
Oh, okay. Of course, then you think this might be it. He's like, I think this might be it. I hope this is it. I don't know. I don't like it just because of where we are and all of the aggressive buying that keeps coming in at the low. Like. That's why I said for me to get short, we got to make one more leg down, or this is another trap. This is the same trade you took last week. I remember the trade. He was like, "Yeah, I was short this." I'm like, "Justin, we just started an uptrend." Yeah, but I see an opportunity at BWOW. I'm like, "Okay, I hope it works out."
Yeah, that was a. I got to see. Hopefully, we defend here. That was a really, really bullish defense down there at that low.
Yeah, because we're in an uptrend. So like. We are in a bearish trend from the highs, but this guy at 54 is in control of this uptrend, and now we broke the high above 68, and now we're consolidating above that high. So anything above 68 should be a buy, right? That's why I say like we need to break 43 to start looking for sales. But anything above 70, 68 range should be a buy. You don't want to short this up here, bro. I mean, you could. Your decision. Is for me, that's the way I'm looking at it. I can't get short because of those reasons.
Yeah, that was a really bullish defense right there down at that low. But
yeah, I feel like that selling just comes in to get people jumpy to jump into that aggressive selling. I know you were in before the selling because you were already short, but that selling kind of makes you want to hold it. And then right at the low, it just aggressively pushes back up inside of the consolidation. And then same vice versa for people that are bullish, they'll probably get away with it though. People that are bullish, they're going to buy at this high, expecting a breakout. And even if they're wrong, because the market is bullish, if they hold long enough, they might, eventually they'll be right,
Yeah.
But if your stop's at the high, like market,
it's at the high.
Market do what it's gonna do.
It's
like just my thesis. It's not what the market's gonna do. It's just my thesis, right? Like, so market can do whatever it wants to do, but my thesis is it's continuing the uptrend.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
All right. Consumer confidence in a few. Oh, we got consumer. Was that earlier?
No, that already happened.
I'm way behind. Took a long micro scalp at 53.18. Very nice. Let me see where 53. Oh, was that above 53.16? Yep. Good trade. Nice push it. Damn, that was a 7-point move. Good job. That
was on ES.
That's a much better entry than boy. Look at Trading Yoga Girl trying to grow up his shit, girl. Go ahead. Let's get it. Like I said, I think that Justin's idea to short the market up here is very valid because this consolidation could yield lower prices because we're coming from a bearish trend, but the overall trend is up. So I just think that overall trend has been ruling for the last, I don't know how long. Like every chance that we get to be bearish, the market just makes you pay for even thinking the market was going to come down. So I'm just more inclined to wait for the long setups. Or we could just sit here and be range bound all day. I mean, the music's nice, I guess. So
I don't like the fact that 68% of these people are short right now. I figured they would be switching their thesis to being long.
No, you should like the fact that 68% of people are short. Oh, no, because you're short. I thought you were long.
Mm-hmm.
My bad. He's like, I don't want to be with the majority. That's never a good place. It's never a good place to be in the majority. Never. Whenever I see the tilt and I'm in the same direction of the tilt, if I haven't already gotten in and they're just joining me, it makes me very nervous. Very nervous.
I'm not liking this. Not one bit. Yeah, this is about to come get me. It's unfortunate.
Well, I mean, you followed your idea. I mean, your plan was to get short up here, right? You just were longing to the high, right? That was your plan.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you followed your plan. Your plan was is about to potentially be invalidated, but it's not over yet. Like, we got to get above 903. So.
Yeah, we do. We got dangerously close, but I'm still alive. For now.
For now. Stay tuned. They're trying. They're definitely trying.
Yeah, I like what I'm seeing on the tape too.
We're pulling into 1050. I think you can get what you want. It looks really good here.
The VIX is still trying to buy up as well. Apple's starting to flush though.
Yes, it's trying to push down too, but they're just playing inside candle games. Like there's no continuation. We're just playing literally within the range of a 5-minute candle or a 15-minute candle or whatever it is. Like we're not going anywhere. It's like everybody just don't want to buy or sell right now. Which means that the Bulls are probably going to take control. Which means the Bulls are probably going to take control. Jeez. Bro, for real, bro. Like this shit, wow. This is no price action. We're going nowhere. There we go. Some selling coming in. You're looking real shaky at these highs. Real freaking shaky at these highs. But then we look real strong at the lows, so. What's up? Nah, it's not frozen for me. And even come back because I'm looking at it on y'all's. No, it's not frozen. It's moving. I can see y'all. I can see the way that y'all view it. It looks strong.
Yeah, it looks like we're coming to break that high.
Yeah, these Bulls, man. We have no fucking chill, bro. No chill, bro.
Oh, you want to long the market?
You want 787? You want the market to come down another 300 points today? Oh, I thought you said 5,850 or something. I don't know. No, I know. I know that's not what you said. I'm saying that's what I thought you said. He said that's totally not what I said. I was like, yeah, I got it that much. Man, this is painful to watch.
This is rough.
Huh? Somebody's trying to get filled up here.
We're coming right. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're about to take off.
Yeah, we feel that liquidity.
Fail.
Get back down. You knew once they put that liquidity up there, I was like, yeah, we're coming for that liquidity, Justin. I hope, unless your stops above that, I said, we're coming for that shit. That shit was like a magnet. Here, fill me. Get me. There goes ES. There goes NQ. Yeah. I just think it's never, for me, it never works out when I'm long on a trade and that trade won, and then I switch my bias to short. Like that shit never works for me. Like never.
It really works for me too.
Like whenever I take the market long, like I stay long, because the minute I try to be like, oh, this is where the short comes in, I just give the money right now. That shit never works out for me. That's why I was like, I think you might be getting long inside of a pullback or short in a pullback. And Jonah, that might have been your pullback. And you moving real strange down here. Yeah, right? Like, I'm just tired. I'm tired of chasing this damn market, because it'll do this slow moving shit and then it just rocket ship up for 150 points. And then we slow move the rest of the day. We're almost pulling into that 1050 macro here. So if we don't get above the high by 1050, I think shorts can look good. But if we're trading above 938 by 1050, I think the selling will just be a pullback back into structure. So let's see what happens. What time is that? You said at 2 or 10? Yeah, they might be. It might be. Maybe that's the next catalyst is going to take us to the freaking moon. Because NVIDIA's not stopping. NVIDIA's continuing to push. What you say, John? It's 1050 macro. But like the 1030 macro, 1030 could bring us bearish character into 1050, which would indicate a potential reversal inside of 1050. So that. Every single attempt to sell this market down. I mean, the shorts still look good. They still look like a good trade based off the tape. But just based off simple price action, we're just not going anywhere. So there's a lot of buying happening at the highs is not getting rewarded. There's a lot of selling that happens at the lows is not getting rewarded. And this is inside of one fucking candle. Or 1 15-minute candle, I should say. Right now, it's just sideways price action at the high for me.
Yeah. Also, if we look at ES2 at that overnight low, it's literally holding that overnight low level. We broke it, but we're right back below it again.
Let's go, Trader Yo Bureau. Secure that bag over there on Apex, man. Make sure you're securing the bag. Every overlay allows to see when both are heading in the same direction. Typically renders explosive directional movement. Thanks, iBomb. I used to follow the dollar. I don't follow it as much anymore. So I'm comfortable just watching the VIX though. But thank you for the suggestion. You guys got to get video about those ICT macro times? Yeah, we do in the Discord. I made one for the Discord. I did not make one for YouTube though. And the reason why is because I don't trade them. Well, I don't know if I trade them like ICT people, right? Like I don't know if I do, but I know that I've learned to utilize them in a way that works for me in my trading. So that's how I use them. So I just made a Discord showing the Discord how I use them. But the thing about macro time is, in my opinion, you have to use it how it integrates into your current strategy. And I don't think you should add things that don't fit what you're already doing. And if you don't have something that you're already doing, then you should not just be trading off time. And that's just my opinion. Right? So right now we're just in strong consolidation headed into 1050. Oh, Chelsea, you're in the Discord? Oh, dope. So go to market reviews in T Hobbs section of the Discord, T Hobbs video section of the Discord. So type hashtag T Hobbs, and inside the Discord, it's labeled. The market review is labeled. It says macro time. So just scroll up, and it should be macro time, market structure, entry criteria. So May 21st is the video that I conducted breakdown of how I use time. So look at that video. Market still looks weak up here. Dix is starting to get angry. I think she wants to come down, ladies and gents. Justin's probably back into his short.
Nah, I was just too early. I was just too early.
They're rejecting that previous demand zone into this next macro kind of bearishly. Looks really good on ES to the short side. ES looks really clean. Nice little head and shoulders over here on the 15-minute. NQ on the 15. I don't know. It still feels like we're playing games over here on NQ, but ES definitely looks structurally much better than ES does. I mean, than NQ does. If you're looking to shoot.
ES looks so much better on these shorts than NQ.
But I still just need to see the low break. Like I cannot trust the shorts just yet. But I definitely understand the thesis, and I'm also done trading. I have no skin in this game. But
this is gonna work out. These shorts on ES are gonna work out real nice. You know, the funny thing is that if I would have taken the short on ES, I wouldn't have been stopped out because the structurally a little different.
Yeah, but what makes you think the shorts are gonna play out?
Oh, just because there's a low volume node right here on ES. It's looking really nice right now.
Let's see it blushing. Here they go. Here's Johnny.
NQ just had to sweep again.
I was gonna try to pick or trade it, but shit already left the building. This shit gone.
Mm-hmm.
Jonah, you might get picked up, bro.
Although I think you might not want to be, but
yeah, you might. He said, "I don't think you might not want to be." Still, just aggressive selling, not taking us anywhere. In my opinion, it's still bullish. I need to see this flush because every time we come down and sell, notice how all of that selling just yielded a higher low. Right? Look how much buying is coming in on the tape. So every time we come down, we don't come down lower. And every time we go up, we sweep the high, taking out more liquidity. So that's why I'm bullish. I understand the bearish case, but that's why I'm bullish in this area. Not bullish to start an entry because I'm pretty much done trading, but I understand the bearish case though, because we can't break above 907, right? So the longer we keep buying up at 907 and it's not yielding a low, or it's not yielding a new high up there, then the bulls are going to be in control. I mean, the bears are going to be in control. So, but we are in bearish character, so your money should be on the bears in this particular situation. My money's on the bulls. See. Matter of fact, I'm on this shit. All right, get long. Right there. Stops below the low. Right here. Risk is 462. Reward is going to be 3 times that. Let's see what happens. Right here. Get long right at those lows. Right with all that selling. On the paper trade here. Oh, you guys can't see the screen. My bad. It's boring ass price action, man. That shit boring. What'd I do? Yeah. Well, I'm paper trading it, but yeah, I see it differently, right? Because I'm a bull, but I'm also looking at it the fact that the market overall is in a bullish trend. But I also see the bearish case because the VIX is getting stronger to the upside. It's not getting weaker, it's getting stronger. So there's definitely true selling going on up here, which I think coming into this next macro, we will probably get the selling coming in. But I like the selling at the low, not yielding new lows. So I was like, okay, I'll just paper trade it. I'm done trading on the day. So don't think that because I'm getting long, you should automatically be worried. Like, I lose trades too, like a lot. You know what I mean? So like, but yeah, I mean, I like what I'm seeing to the long side. But you guys, I 100% understand what you guys see to the short side, but that's because we're in consolidation. So the consolidation is coming from a bullish range, but the resistance is coming from a bearish area. So who wins that battle? I don't know. Right now, the market's just indecisive. But my bid's in for the long side, so we'll see that. No, Justin does it to me all the time. I'm used to it. Every time I get into a long, he's looking to short the market. Every time I get into a short, he's looking to long the market. It's all good. It doesn't matter to me. At the end of the day, the market has to decide, right? So,
I mean, I just took a long as well, but I'm only looking to ride it to the high for a quick like $300.
Nah, I'm riding it to all-time highs. I think we're gonna break all-time highs. If we break above this high, we're going to all-time highs. No doubt about it. In my opinion.
I'm just riding this trend right now. The trend is
like, I'm just gonna ride this trend, bro.
It's higher highs and higher lows.
That's all I'm saying. I'm like, bro,
take it. I'll try.
Don't fight it. Like the market is making higher highs and higher lows, no matter how you look at this shit. Right? Every time we get a little bit of selling, everybody wants to short the shit. I'm just like, bro, like this is a higher low on a higher time frame. So long this shit. Let it come down lower and long it. You know, that's all I'm saying. Like I don't want to be this way, right? This is not me. Like I'm not a permabull. I don't want to be this way, but the market is forcing you to be this way. Or you look to hurry up and get a short because that's what shorts are. They're short. They short live. Like the market sells off 50 points, we eat that shit back up and we grind it up, right? It's like we're grinding it back up. So it's like, man, we're building structure every time they sell. So the true direction has just been up. So right now we look bearish below this high, but we also look like we're forming structure to break this high. I don't know which one happens, but like I said, I put my bid into the long side on the paper trade. So Friday PM low has not been taken yet, and you have 3 highs that have been taken. PM high, Asia high, and London high was set by taking Asia high. So Friday PM low should be targeted. But what if it doesn't target it? What if structure doesn't come back to PM low? That's a target, right? It doesn't mean the market has to get it today, because if you look at Friday's price action, the market never came back to PM price. It didn't. We just continued to push from that 4 hours area. So you got to also take into consideration where we are in structure, right? Not just PM session, Asia. I get it. I understand all of that. But also you have to understand that the structure has already been tapped for those areas, right? On a higher time frame, right? We're coming from higher time frame structure. So the market doesn't have to retest all of these areas, right? So I don't know. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then what? Then, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you have to go with what you're seeing in addition to going with what your strategy is, right? If your strategy is this, hey, I want to target Asia lows. Okay, then you should be looking for shorts up here. But what is the structure telling you right now, right? Is the structure telling you to go short right now? I mean, that's up to you. That's up to your interpretation, right? But if you're gonna look for shorts and your target is Asia lows, this should be the area that you should be looking to short 100%. I just don't think it's gonna happen based off the structure and the amount of time that we're spending in certain areas, right? We're gobbling up liquidity, right? The market is continuing to buy. The only thing that would worry me if I was in a long, well, beyond this paper trade, if I was in a long, the only thing that would bother me now would be the VIX is not participating, right? So to protect myself, I would go and risk just these lows now, right? So now my risk is no longer $400. My risk is only $120, right? I'm still at an invalidation area, but I'm protecting myself in the event that the market doesn't break this high and it wants to come back down. I'm only risking 127.50 as opposed to the entire low. Because if we come down and we break these lows, the market's coming down anyway, right? But we should not come back below settlement price, right? Or at least for me, for my thesis to remain bullish on this particular move, I don't want to see us trade back below settlement price, which sits roughly at an 875. So I'm putting my stop a couple points below that. So if we trade 5 points below settlement, I'm out of the trade, but I only lose 127, but I'm risking 127 to make 1207, right? And that's how you got to kind of try to play it, right? But this is a paper trade. So remember, there's no emotions for this in me, right? There's just me putting the trade on based on something I was seeing on the tape, being done trading, but also getting reps in after I'm done trading. But this is 100% a trade that I would look to take on a continuation, right? And this is how I would manage it. So this is a good opportunity to show you guys in real time how I would trade this, right? So, but
yeah, I'm up 350 right now. I'm kind of like, I'm in a holding pattern just based off of the volume that I'm seeing in the market. It still looks good to go higher. And like I was saying, I think you know what it was, for at least for me anyway. I had a revelation. I don't know what it is. Hey, you remember how the other day we brought up the shower conversation? You ever think like you do your best thinking in the shower? Like I don't know if it's just
I do my best thinking on my porcelain throne.
Okay, well, okay, so you do it on the shitter, and I do it in the shower, right? And I was thinking about Friday actually, and I was thinking about how obvious Friday was, like hindsight, and how I could act upon that. And that's basically what I did here. I saw the same candlestick structure that I normally see at the low, and we're making higher highs and higher lows. And you said, I was like, I'm not gonna fight this just because I want the market to go lower. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the long. There's no reason to there's no reason to fight the market. Like I think too many times we fight the market based off of the idea that we have for what we want the market to do, instead of just trading the market for what it's currently doing, right? I mean, I did it, right? Like I did it to a certain extent, but like the other thing that I was thinking too was the trade probability that I took. It felt like a higher probability trade based off of the candlestick that I was reading, so I was okay with it. But once that failed, I was okay. The direction's clearly up. We're making higher highs and higher lows. We're coming back down to the low, and we're finding more buyers. I'm just gonna take the market long and try to ride this up the last half of how high I think this is gonna go. Right? Instead of trying to be like, well, the market's gone up this much and I have to short it because of this, that, and the third. Like, like whatever the market is doing, play that. Like play the current.
Be able to participate on the current order flow. And to the question about the Asia lows, right? Understand this. Monday did not have a PM session. Okay. We haven't had a PM session until Friday, right? So we're almost, because of the Memorial Day, we're almost like in a reset mode, right? So what I like to use 12 midnight price. So this is midnight price from last night, 921, which it looks like we're about to break above, right? And then the Monday's midnight price is 861, or Sunday. Look what happened when price came down to midnight price. It swept it. Structurally, it came back into this low, which was Asia's low from Sunday. And then we immediately found buyers, right? It doesn't mean that the market's going to continue to push higher. It just means that this is a high quality area to take the market long from. And then ultimately on the 1 hour, if you look, we're just basically holding a trend. It also doesn't mean that we'll continue to hold the trend. It just means in the current situation that we're in, the order flow is very much bullish. It is not bearish, right? So if you want to short the market, short it, but short it at areas where the market is more likely to pull back when it's changed order flow from those areas. The market never changed order flow, and that's why I wouldn't be looking to short it yet, because it hasn't switched order flow back to the downside. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about when I say switching order flow, just think of it just as simple as we said it before. When the market goes from making higher highs and higher lows, to making lower lows and lower highs, it's changed order flow. Here, we were making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and then a higher high. But look, we never put in a higher high than this. Therefore, the market changed order flow at 920, right? And from that moment forward, it was putting in lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and then an aggressive sell down. But then we switched order flow again, right? We went from that to making higher lows equal lows, right? And then higher highs, right? So when you see that, that's when you want to start to get long or short, right? Until you see that, you should just play the order flow that's in front of you if you want to trade it. If you want to scout this, you want to be in the long direction because that's the market. Eventually, the market's going to put you in profit, right? But here we go. So now we're at the point of origin, right? Right here. This is a key area for me, right? So if I'm trading this in real life, I'm protecting myself even further, right? Now my stop should be okay going to break even because if the market takes this out, right? The market takes this out, it's technically changing character. This is a tricky break even move because of the fact that the market could come down and sweep this low before moving higher. But I'm betting that this low right here at 909 brought a new high. So it should protect my entry, but I'm not losing anything now. I've covered my fees for 22 bucks. I'm at break even. I can't lose, right? And the bearish activity is increasing at these highs. However, this could just be food for the bulls, right? So we'll see. That's how I would manage this in real time. So, or just look to take some profit right here. Either way, I'm going to hold off on taking the profit. I want to see what we do. I can't hear you. You just got short. Yeah. That's a good short.
Yeah,
that's a great short. It's a great short. But I'm just of the mindset that it might be a pullback, right? So if this low, again, this low down here is not bringing us a new high and it fails, now it's in danger of being taken. That's why I said like this is a great area to short the market. Great area to short the market. I just don't believe in the shorts. Yeah, it looks. Exactly, Jonah. Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, it's a great area to look to short the market. But what do you think the market's thinking? Everybody's going to get short here, so it's going to be free liquidity. That's the way I look at it. Like, if that's a great area to short the market and everybody's thinking to short the market there, I don't want to short the market there, right? I don't want to short the market there because the market also knows that this is a great area because everybody's going to be looking to short right here. And it could work. I just like to play the opposite odds. Like I try to play the non-majority, right? So,
yeah, I just think you're early. I think these shorts are early, but ES is in supply right now, so that's good. But I'm just looking at the tape where they put a lot of orders beneath, and they got filled, and then they put more orders beneath as well. Doesn't mean that they're gonna hold, but here we go, filling more orders. Let's see what we do here.
Oh, you said PM lows from Friday could be targeted?
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, that's a 300-point sell-off. I mean, it could happen. I wouldn't target that shit. Not in this
market. Did you get long, Jonah? Uh-oh.
Yeah. I think the valid area to short the market would be at 979. I think that this is a really good area here. But I think the market wants to take this area. Is VWAP right here?
No, we're well above VWAP now.
Oh, we're above it? Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I definitely wouldn't be looking to short this.
Yeah, we're well above VWAP. But I'm thinking about taking profit, honestly. I don't like this failure.
You said PM lows of Friday should be targeted. I mean, that very well could have. Look, iBomb Inc. I'm definitely not disagreeing with you. I'm just adding more context to the conversation. That's all, right? I don't know if you're correct. I don't know if I'm correct, right? But I'm just giving my thesis, how I'm viewing the market from here, right?
I'm still holding this low though.
I'm just looking at structurally what we're doing in the moment. And right now, we're making higher highs and higher lows. And every time we come to a consolidation area, we hold the low and then we just go higher. So we get a baby pullback and then we just go higher. So as long as the market's doing that, trade that. This is midnight price right here at 921. Was acting as strong resistance this morning. I think if the market does get above this area, I think we're in for a short squeeze. That's what I think.
Let's see what's
Oh yeah, sure. So if the market fails to get above 37, I think that the market's going to dump down 300 points and we'll target Monday's lows. Is that better? Thanks. It's great when I turn into a purple bull. Like, damn, can you tell us something, something about the shorts? Yeah, I got y'all. Don't even trip. Oh my God, this is slow. This is so slow. That's exactly what you wanted, right? Like, that's the target, right? Like, if ICOM is right, like, if we fail here, the market's coming down to sevens. Like, it's gonna come down to the seven. Like, it's gonna come down somewhere down here, right? It's definitely gonna come down if it fails here. I just don't think it's gonna fail. It's just my thesis. And if I'm wrong, like, if it does fail, yeah, it's gonna come down fast. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down fast. Yeah, it's gonna come down fast. And the stocks are mixed right now too. Google's rallying, Nvidia's rallying, Apple's rallying. Everything's rallying except Microsoft. So if Microsoft ever decides it wants to rally as well, then the rally's gonna continue. It's just
we're building a new structure right here.
Oh, thanks. Wouldn't be a day without Malik. It's clearly a buy.
I thought that was you.
Mr. Pot says it's clearly a buy. Hey, look, sometimes it's not that clear. Like, most people want to short up here, right? I get it. I'm not knocking anybody for wanting to short. I just don't see it. I don't see a reason to short up here. I see the area, but I don't see a reason.
This is looking like a
two different things. We're about to short squeeze. If we get above this high, we're going to short squeeze. I'm telling y'all right now, we're going to go
This is looking like a bull flag right here.
All right, we're up 400 on this paper trade. Again, just based off the selling that we were seeing down here at this low, managing it like a real trade. I'm at break even. Obviously, you can't lose, and we're up 40 points on the trade. So we'll lock in 10 points for the culture, right? And then the target is the target, right? So the target is
God.
19,350. Did you sell?
No. I'm still in.
Like,
No. I was saying, no. What I didn't complete the whole sentence. I would have been so sick had I not taken that long down there.
I was like, bro, what? Everything I just said, and you still sold that shit?
No. I'm in. I have my stop. I have my stop on that like 907. And I was like, all right, if we break that, but I saw this consolidation and we couldn't break the low. I was like, oh, we're flagging. This is about to be bullish as hell.
Yeah, so if we get above 37, the market's gone. I don't think there's no volume traded in this area based off this candle. Not even looking at the volume, but I'm pretty sure there's no volume
48. My target's 40.
My target's 19,003, and I might move it to all-time highs. Get above this area.
I just don't want to see this bull flag fail. Yes, we can hear you now. Are you still in your short?
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's where it should be. Yes. Oh my God, we're right at 50% of that 4-hour candle. Jesus. Yeah. This is literally the same thing we've been doing the whole way up here. We'll get this aggressive 4-hour candle that dumps back in the structure. And then the next 4-hour candle just takes us back above structure. Yep, I agree.
Okay, that makes sense for why you want to get short up here. I just would have waited probably for some type of confirmation, but for me anyway. But it makes sense though.
I said, he said
Yeah.
He said, get short up here, please. Mr. Pot said, please get short up here so I can take your stops, please. It's the same thesis over here on ES. Shout out to Trading Yoda Girl for keeping me fair. Same thesis here. If we can't get above 353.32, remember ES is still in that downtrend, right? Everything is still in a downtrend, right? So if we can't get above these highs, that's going to be a red flag for the downtrend. So ES is rejecting its consolidation right now into 53.28. Let's see if the rejection holds, right? You want to see the rejection yield a break of a low. If the rejection doesn't hold, right? If the rejection is to hold, then the market's going to continue to push higher. I mean, the rejection doesn't hold, the market's going to continue to push lower. My apologies. But got a lot of selling coming in yet again at the lows. ES looks much better for shorts. I just need to see him. I just want to see him take them out. That's it. Take them out, baby. Take them out. Take them out. Hold on. Let me see.
All right, this is a failed bull flag pattern, so that's nice. Just got stopped out there for 350.
I was making sure he went out here by himself.
Yeah, we're in supply over on ES. Oh, and we just rejected the value area high right there on NQ. So, but I'll gladly take that 350 back to being
let's go.
Grizzle on the day. I was already green, but I did get back
again. Yet another failure at the high, unable to break the high, is a definite sign of weakness, right? And that's why if you're gonna get short up here, you take your stop and put it above the high, right? Because you're not wrong until the high is taken, right? And that's why my stop is in profit, because if we come back down now, I'm just going to be incorrect. The market will definitely take us out in profit, which is fine. I was incorrect with my target because I was anticipating the market breaking above 37. The market doesn't break above 37, it's coming straight back down. So, but bulls keep stepping in at every single sell-off opportunity. The bulls keep stepping back into the market. So continue to hold, locking in 10 point. 5 XFAs now, and 50K combine is $29. Let's go, Top Step. Woo! All right, so the official announcement, guys. The official announcement is Top Step has gone from 3 XFAs to 5 XFAs and
is that lifetime?
$29 50K combines.
Is that forever?
I'm gonna go into Top Step right now.
Or are they just doing a sale?
Hold on. I was trying to talk.
He said Top Step is going to 5 XFAs.
And then he takes us.
I thought
I'm trying to talk. Justin keeps talking over me like he wants to get the information out. So go ahead, bro. Tell me.
No, well, I was trying to ask Sandra if they're doing it like for is that price forever, like, or is that just a sale price?
We said it. Your ass just had us muted. X5 XFAs and the 50K combine accounts are $29. So I don't know if that's a sale. Yeah, so it's limited for now, but may make it permanent. Okay, so $29. Yes, okay. Top Step X 50K combines are $29, limited time, and they might make it permanent. Yeah, nothing else so far. I'm in the Top Step Discord right now. Yeah, 5 XFA. Yep. So I'm working on 3 right now. I got 2 more that I'm gonna get done.
He said it's up.
It's up, bro. It's a wrap. And I just hit my. Let's go. I'm gonna finish these. I'm gonna finish off 3 tomorrow. Yeah, I'm about to finish off 3 right now. Bye, Apex. Peace out, Apex. Yeah. I'm gonna get all 10 funded because if you're long right here, if you're short right here, be careful.
Okay, so it's so The code is express funded accounts. 5 express funded accounts is the code. I think it's for anything. I don't think it's just for Top Step X. I think it's for anything that you want to, any platform that you want to trade with. But here's the code right here. It's good until May 31st. So that's only till Friday. So it's only for the next 4 days. And then if you guys are getting accounts and you do want to support the channel, make sure to use our Top Step code, but make sure when you do it, you accept cookies. Because if you don't accept the cookies, it's not going to give us credit. I don't know where the accept cookie is, but wherever it is, just make sure you hit accept the cookie. That way, it knows.
This market just make a damn decision. ES is making a decision.
It looks like the decision is down.
Right now. Yeah, ES is making a decision. Which leads me to believe that NQ is going to come down at some point. It's just taking its sweet ass time. Jeez.
What's crazy is the amount of movement that ES had compared to NQ. Like, well, I mean, I guess it made it up to the same way. God, it doesn't feel like it.
I still just don't believe it. I don't believe it until we take the low. Whenever we take that low, then I'll be on board. But we don't take that low. This is all just a fucking mirage.
Mr. Pottscraper said the only cookie I'm accepting is the one my girl give me. You're stupid. You're dumb. You're dumb.
This still feels like a trap
but,
to me.
He said, but sadly, I have no girl. What in the world?
Come on, Bears. Show up or show out. Or get ran the fuck over. This price action is so weak.
Yeah, looks like we're coming back down.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't really get that impression. I feel like
I want us to come back down.
Back into structure, and now we about to go higher again. So
I want to see us come back down to 878. That's what I want to see.
That's what I think. This market,
but we're consolidating down here again. So, and we ran that low. This consolidation is never a good thing for these bears.
Every time, bro. Like, we just playing around the high. Which macro is gonna have enough volume in it to take us above the high?
Bro, there's no way. My tilt's got to be messed up. There's no way we're still trying to look to short this market. Okay, good. My tilt meter was messed up. It's more longs than shorts.
Let's go Top Step. They about to take over, man. I mean, they already was top 2.
I think they already have taken over.
I don't like them though. A lot of people don't like them because of the shit that they do to protect traders. And I would say that those people that don't like them are probably the gamblers, right? Because they're like, I want the 2,500 drawdown. I want the 65. It's like, bro, we trying to save you from yourself. If you down this much, you probably need to take a break.
Yeah. I had somebody in the comments was asking me, or they weren't asking me, they were actually telling me that Top Step was a scam because they only gave them $1,000 with the drawdown. I was like, I don't know what you're talking about, but I was like, Top Step only locks you up.
I mean, you take that same attitude and put your own $1,000 up and see what that feels like.
True, but I told him, I was like, Top Step definitely gives you $2,000 with the drawdown, and they was like, no they don't, and I was like, bruh, I've been trading Top Step for like a year now. They 100% give you your entire drawdown. I was like, maybe you got caught up in your trailing drawdown. That might have happened because he was like, I was up, XX, and it closed me before I was down 50K, and I was like, yeah, because of your trailing drawdown. Like, your trailing drawdown moves up with you. That's why you felt like you didn't get as much. He was like, no, that's wrong, man. I'm like, all right, bro. Like, I can't save everybody out here. I'm not a pimp, man. I can't save all these hoes.
Whoa.
I've been waiting to say that.
Clearly.
What? Y'all hating? It's a funny line. That's why.
Just didn't understand why, you're referring to your commenting audience as hoes. That's all.
Hey man,
That's
look,
my only
look,
concern.
look. I can't save them all, man. You can't help everybody. You know what I'm saying? You can't save everybody.
All right. So in other news, yo, this market, this price action is so slow. It feels like yesterday. It feels like Memorial Day. Come on down. The short master of all short masters has spoken, and he says his market's coming down. So I'm more inclined to believe that Malik is going to get what he wants. When he short the market, it's rare that he miss. So I'm still bullish until we break that low, though. No doubt.
Yeah, this is looking like it's coming right back up. I'm not gonna lie, but the Bookmap is telling me we about to send again. I'm not gonna take this long, but it does look like it's getting ready to go. I got a couple things I gotta take care of.
Oh, you got more shit to do today?
Huh?
So you got more shit?
No. I'm not going anywhere. Just
you said you got a couple of things you got to take care of. Like, man, you got
I'm about to make a community post about
Oh, okay, gotcha.
About Top Step.
Non-trailing is gold. To be honest, it is, man. That intraday trailing drawdown sucks. Keep shorting. Nobody's short. I'm not sure. There's members of the Discord that are sure. I'm not sure.
It should be illegal. It should be illegal.
Good setup to scale up. That's it. You just find a good scale up. You just find a good setup and you scale up. Like that's a really good point. Like you scale up. You can go for 5 micros, 3 micros. I mean, you trade 3 micros and you copy trade it across 5 accounts. That's 15 micros. That's a mini and a half, right? That you can pull out of the market. So like that's leverage that you don't get from trading a live account, right? So he said, "I'm coming for all shorts, and all I want to hear is stop fill." Choo choo. Yeah,
you know what else is interesting?
Again,
Somebody said
see
that
my
it's
paper trade, bro.
illegal to have more than one. You know, have you
Justin, you keep breaking up, bro. I don't know what you said.
You heard this? Do you hear that? I said somebody said it's illegal to have more than one live account.
What do you mean illegal? They have to give you the live accounts. How is it fucking illegal?
I don't know. That's just somebody said that. Yeah, I don't know.
It's
I'm just
illegal
saying
to have a live account where with Top Step or like
no, not Top Step. It's just against like CME rules to have more than one live account.
Who said it? Are you just randomly reading this somewhere, or?
Yeah, I can't remember who said it.
You can't remember who said it? Why'd you say it?
No, I cannot remember who said it. I was just relaying the information. I don't know if anybody else has heard that. That's the only reason I was bringing it up.
No, only 300 away. Let's go, trading yoga girl. Let's get it. You can't have multiple live accounts with the same broker. Yes, that's true.
With the same broker.
Yeah, that I know for sure because I tried it. I didn't try to have multiple live accounts. They were taking forever to set up my other account. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just make another one. They was like, no, you already got one in the process. I'm like, damn, relax. Probably because they don't want you to hedge your bet, right? Man, what are we trying to do? Market's just slowly draining the life out of retail, trying to get them to short the market. The more they sit up here, they know the more people are going to be trying to get short. All the shorts got to do is show a little leg, and everybody screams the market's coming down, even though the market's been in a freaking uptrend since October of 2023. So we're still refusing to break that high, but we're also refusing to put in a lower low. So at least on the 5 minute and 15. So. I just wish the market would do something. I mean, this is boring. This is whack. There the freaking sellers go. Do something. Nope. Yeah. Shout out to Jonah in the Discord, letting everybody know that there's a bond auction in about 15 minutes. So the market could be consolidating in preparation for that. Yeah, where'd you see that at? Oh, investment.com. Okay. 2-year note is what he's saying. He saw investing.com. I should probably verify that at least. I can read it straight from them. But yeah, I mean, it would make sense for the market not to be doing anything with any type of news that's out there, still waiting to approach. I'm stoked about 5 today, bro. Like I don't even use words like that. I was stoked. I went to this investing.com website. My computer is just freaking dumped. I'm like, yo, chill. Yeah. Sorry if my Bookmap just froze, guys. I closed off that website. I went to investing.com and it just like froze my computer. I was like, okay, I will not do that then. Oh my goodness. Could just be waiting on this last 15-minute candle to close, or what you mean? Oh, you're at the college? He wanted a mouthpiece for his instrument at the airport. I'm confused. Oh, I was like, what the? I'm so confused. Like, what is going on at the airport? Ain't nobody ever approached me at the airport. Look, nobody's ever approached me at the airport, let alone asked me about a mouthpiece. I can give you a mouthpiece, two-piece. You ever heard of a two-piece? I give you a reason for a mouthpiece, fool. Mouthpiece these. I'm just kidding. Stop.
Good Lord.
Shows violence there. 2-year note is supposed to be coming out in about 15 minutes. It could have 10 minutes now, I guess. Probably at the top of the hour, basically, or at the 30 point, I guess. I don't know. Jonah has the information. I tried to look it up, and investing.com froze my fucking computer, so I decided to pass. I was like, yeah, okay. Yeah, no, I'm good. I will pass. I'll check it on my phone or something. Oh, is he talking about it right now? Yeah, he oh, I know. He definitely pays attention to those a lot. So he's definitely one of the guys that I would trust the information from. So right now we're just not doing anything. Like, I think the market's waiting on that news, or waiting on something. This price action is horrendous. I'm in a paper trade and I'm freaking just like, okay, should I secure some profit? Like, what do I need to do here, Mark? VIX is still coming down. Nvidia is still trading higher. The stock market just isn't moving at all. There's some buying coming in there. The high. Hold on. Take me to my profit target before the stupid bond auction comes in. I get stopped out by some stupid sweep. Again, the market is still struggling to get above midnight price. Every single time we try to tap 2150, we just cannot break it. So struggling doesn't mean we're gonna fail. It just means that we're struggling. So shout out to Trader Youngers there. She says, lock in your prices with the barbershop. Shit top notch. Appreciate you, Trader Younger girl. You can, however, have more than one with different ones. Yeah. This is just buys being accumulated. Yep. Pass all my accounts already. Let's get it. I feel like grabbing one more 250K. Let's go. My paper trading account is up 900 million. Mr. Potts, I do not put that past you. I'm certain you're probably trading whatever the max number you can put in that box is what you're trading. 900 million. That's nuts. All right, still nothing from this candle, just kind of sitting, consolidating here. I feel like she wants to pop, but just waiting on that last little bit of news. Maybe we come all the way back down to the lows first, because that we haven't retested this low down here at 74. So if we come all the way down back there, I'll look to get back into the paper trade. But I'm done trading on the day, guys. I'm just paper trading for more reps, kind of showing you guys inside of my thought process. So if we come back down here to 76 for settlement, I'll look to re-enter these longs. But if we sweep this low or we break this low, the market's going to come down lower. But for now, the target's still the target. Depending on if we go bullish, depending on how strong we get above 38, then I'll look to move my target to all-time highs, right? Like that. So, but I will secure something right here if we come up and hit my target. Just wait. Seven more minutes till this so-called 2-year note drops, or whatever it's going to be. Just being patient here, being patient. Definitely some selling coming in, but it's being gobbled up like almost immediately by more buying. So this makes me feel like the market just wants to go higher. And ES is actually pushing up here as well from the lows. Let's switch these screens here. Yeah, you can see ES is actually pushing up. They're basically both in the exact same spot. So ES is 53.28 now, and then 53.31 to get above the high. Once we start trading above those two highs, I think we short squeeze. That's my thesis. I think this is just a 30-minute, 15-minute demand zone being built, and we're going to push through. But we have to trade above 38. If we get above 38, 36, we'll definitely start to push.
All right, done and done.
All right, 30-minute looks really good on the candlesticks.
And then I'm about to be a millionaire.
Let's go, baby. Market is continuing to try to squeeze out of this area. I think if we can get above 37, I ain't even trying to be a millionaire. I'm just trying to be consistent, and then the millions will follow.
You
know
yeah,
just trying to be consistent, bro. Like consistency has been really good the last month or two, and then like going back to my roots of getting those earlier entries. Now that I've feeling more comfortable entering the market, and just keeping my entries the same has just been key for me. I think I got really good entries this morning, but I was really responsible with my trade management, understanding that the market could sweep that low. The market did exactly that, and then I got right back in because I was still confident in the bulls. So Malik, your mic is unmuted, sir. You good? Oh, that which means Jonah's
here anyway, and he's on the phone.
Which means Jonah's long. Jonah's like, no, let that shit stay unmuted, bro. I'm cool with it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think again for the Bears, the fact that we can't break above this high is very, very bearish. And then for the Bulls, the fact that we're holding the low and we're in a current uptrend is very bullish. So we go either way up here. Either way, in my opinion. But we're trending up, not trending down. We're trending up. So bro, this is trash, bro. I'm glad I got my 2 little trades in before this market started doing this. Is ugly. All right, 4 minutes until that news is dropping. 2-year note. I think the market's just consolidating for that. Coming for all stops, says Mr. Potts. This is a black candle next to green one is clear buy signal. Oh, the black candle next to the green one. Yes, Mr. Potts, it's a rally-based rally candle. I agree, but it still needs to accomplish something, right? So, what up, Yvonne in the building? What's good, brother? 50 million in buys. 100 million in buys up over 80 ticks. This dude is a problem with his paper trade account. I think mine's up pretty high too, though. I think mine's up to like 100 million or something like that. Let me see. Because we just trading dumb size on Bitcoin, I think. Yeah, I'm up 228 million. Yeah, or 22,880,000, something like that. You should have entered that tournament that they had. Nah, man, because they be cheating. They don't want you to trade 100 minis. They want you to do like point. You can't even trade a whole Bitcoin. I was like, man, I'm a DJ, baby. I want to send this shit. But if I would have did what I said I was gonna do, I would have won the last one. Well, I don't know if I would have won it, but I definitely would have had a profitable month and got a free month of trading. But I honestly just stopped focusing on it. What the hell is this? Yeah, or there's like some prize or something that you could have gotten. But if you're profitable, if you're just profitable at the end of the month, they would have given you a free month of trading view. I posted it in the Discord. Yeah. I think they also had cash prizes too, right? Didn't they have like $5,000 for first place or something like that? Yes. Yeah, they had cash prizes too, but like I gave you the minimum prize. Like, look, don't worry about that. I won't let you shoot for the stars. Yeah, don't shoot for the stars, baby. Just go for the minimum, and then maybe that's better. I mean, that's probably going to be better than most people. That's true. Most people. There had to have been like a minimum amount of trades you had to take, though. There was no minimum. Really? So you could have just taken one trade, been green, and be like, I'm done. No. You had to trade every day. Oh, okay. I think that was one of the rules. You had to trade it. Oh my God, what are you doing, Mark? Yes, thank you over here looking like ES. All right. Another push into 26. Let's see if we can't take the high this time. That's exactly what it was. Those lows from last night. Sweep that, came right back up. And let's check the 1 hour. Ooh, look at the 1 hour. Ooh. But again, still hasn't accomplished this goal, right? Which is getting above 36. I think if we get above 36, we really start to push. But if we don't get above 36, we're coming right back down. Got 1 minute until the bond auction or whatever comes out. I think the market may clear all this liquidity back to the downside before it goes up, but we'll see. Yeah, there's actually two. There's the 2-year note and then the 42-day bill auction. So yeah. But they didn't really. I mean, they haven't really cleared the tape. So I mean, we might get volatility, but normally when they clear the tape, that's when you know like it's about to go down. It feels like more of like clarification for the market versus Uh-oh. Was that a push above 36? No, that was 33, 32. All right, here's 1030. Getting really violent here. Let's see what happens. Tape's starting to speed up here. They load us to sleep and then they give us all this price action. It's like, bro, calm down, bro. It's like, geez. Yeah, you don't know what you want to do. You like, bro, relax. Can we just relax? All that we just chilled this whole 15-minute candle. The next 15-minute comes in, it's like, the market's like, yo, relax. All right, we're at 442. If this was my real account, I'd be locking in these lows right here, right? So I'm gonna lock in these lows at 210, and then if the market wants to continue to push from there, then fine. But because we're just so indecisive, I'm gonna lock in. We shouldn't be dropping. I don't want to be in the trade if we give up more than 50% of this 15-minute candle right here. So I'm locking in 903. It's 903.75.
Order filled.
Not yet. 5 more points. We go hear it. Malik, can you unmute your mic, please?
Y'all are assholes.
Malik, can you unmute your mic, maybe? Uh-oh.
Where y'all at?
Bears, these bears looking kind of strong at the high. I better shut the fuck up. You might come take my paper trade money.
Where y'all at?
I'm gonna lock in 300 right here because just for the culture. Nah, fuck that. I'm locking in these lows. I'm gonna hold these lows. I'm gonna hold to the thesis. ES is trying to push here. VIX is pushing down to 50. Nvidia's just consolidating. Microsoft and Google. Oh, that was a nice pop. Where's your stop at, Malik?
He should have got hit by now. That was 36.
Oh no, that was 39. Yeah, that's probably a direct hit. He sunk his battleship. And then they go sell down after they stop it, after they knock it out. All right, that was the market kind of warning us like, hey, we might be looking to trade higher right there, right? So the question is that a fake out breakout or is that an actual breakout? So let's see. Looks very bearish on the 1 minute, which it should, right? So let's see what happens here.
Oh, coming on down again.
All of that aggressive buying just took us a taste above the high. And let's see if it gives it all right back to trap all the bulls at the high. So let's see what happens. There are a lot of trap participants at 938 right now. Just saying. The market wants to take it. This is the perfect opportunity. Then they start putting that fake ass liquidity up there. That definitely makes me turn bearish. That did not get filled. I like this. Yeah, I like, yo, this might be the short. This might be the short right here.
Oh, Lord.
This is looking pretty bearish after taking that high right there. I'm just saying. I am a bull, but that was impressive. Let's see if they come back down and pick up more buyers. Woo. This is a nice push down.
Come pick me up.
Yo, I don't think you want to get picked up, bro. I don't know. It's just we still ain't broke structure, bro. I'm just, bro. Every time we sell off, bro, it's like it's just another entry for it to go long until we break that low.
Where'd you get long at, Valdez?
He got short.
No, he said he got long.
He looking to try to get short. I thought.
No.
Oh, you're talking about Valdez.
Yeah.
My bad.
Valdez. Where you get long at? Oh, you've been holding that same long. So, you got long on the pullback. Okay. After I got stopped out, okay. I got you.
He said I'm long and short, bro.
Mr. Pot Scrapers, imagine your stops getting taken. Now it's dumping while being short. He's such an asshole.
Yeah, I just can't. I can't trust these fucking shorts. I just need to see him break something, bro. Break something, bro.
I don't like it.
You ain't comfortable. You ain't comfortable. You ain't comfortable. Oh yeah, your entry's fire, right? And your stop makes sense. Your entry is fire. Yep.
Well, you got in at 38. Oh, okay. I mean, that's still a good trade. How many? What are you looking to get down to?
Yes. Yeah. You just gotta right click, and then go down to stop buy or limit sell or market sell. Yeah, and you can put them in there. A lot of people be trading with the limit orders because they don't know that you can just squeeze it. I've been seeing other people like trading. I'm like, you can just pull that up and down. And they go, oh, I'm like, wow, y'all really didn't watch the tutorial video.
They never do. Aren't you the one who just asked for a Top Step X tutorial?
Yo, hey, what the hell, bro? Like, just make up your sweet ass mind, bro. What is this market on? I'm still in this paper trade. We're still making higher lows and higher highs. So
we're coming back up.
I just can't see. I understand the thesis. I just can't see it, bro. Like the market just won't give me what I want to the short side as far as continuation goes. So until it does,
we're coming back up.
We'll see. We still can't break that high and stay above it.
Yeah, we're rejecting the value area high, and this is a low volume area on the day. So
I don't know. I don't like the PA, so that's why I could trade other accounts today, but I'm good. I'd rather wait for a little bit more volatility, a little bit cleaner price action. I mean, the price action has been fine. Like I said, I haven't taken any losses. I'm good, but at the same time, like we're kind of just in this range, right? Which is, a phenomenal day for the Emmett incline. Emmett's like, I'm gonna be rich. Rich. So I don't know. It just feels like we're just slowly stair-stepping our way up. But I don't think the elevator is gonna be down. I think it feels like we're stair-stepping up to jump across and get on the elevator. You go higher. Mm-hmm. But I don't know.
Mr. Prodscriber says, need to finish the ICT core content. I'm on month 11 of 12. Jesus.
Wait, his content is 12 months long?
Bro, every single one of his courses is 12 months long. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's why I ain't go through none of them, because they,
I said to each his own.
Yeah, I mean, they're free.
I'm not watching 12 months.
Been straight grinding for the past months. Yeah, I heard people be taking like 6 months to watch his content because it's so long. And ain't it? And I think in like damn near every day too. I think it's like damn near every day as well. Like it's a lot.
Oh, you mean like the content was it daily?
Yeah, I think so. Jello says Top Step X has 5 XFAs now. Yep. Thanks, Jello. Jello low.
It's true.
Micaiah says bulls go up bulls go up the stairs, bears go out the window.
Yeah, facts. That is facts. When the bears come down, bro, they dump this shit. Like they just be like, ah. That's all you hear is ah. The market just go off a cliff, bro. You be like, damn. So and then the next day, or not even the next day, Tokyo session comes up. They buy that shit right back up. It's like, so y'all really was just taking profit? Yeah. When people jump out the window, we jump out too. We'll buy it up again tomorrow.
Yeah, it's almost better to like fade. It's almost better just to fade the shorts altogether, because if you get in too late, you get screwed, and then just take the stair step back up with the bulls.
You might as well. If like I said, every time the market dips, I just want to add more to the position because every single dip is being eaten up slowly, which tells me that none of those people that are short the market are actually stopping out yet. They're probably not going to stop out until we get above the high, and once they start stopping out, this market's going to short squeeze.
Yeah, like, but Nvidia's doing that rising wedge thing. Nvidia's doing that rising wedge thing it did like last week or 2 weeks ago, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, well, by last week I meant Thursday. It looks exactly the same as Thursday. Like exactly the same. So
yeah, at some point it'll find some weakness, but look at it on a 15-minute though.
I mean, yeah, it looks the exact same. It's like a rising wedge to the upside that'll eventually probably break down.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, these rising wedge. I mean, the last time the market was in a rising wedge on NQ, shit rose above all-time highs, and then it was like, okay, dump it. So the question is like, yeah, it's in a rising wedge, but it's still rising. So it's like, do you really want to short inside of this rising wedge, or you want to wait for the shit to break? Which I know that's what you're saying. I'm just saying, like in general, like to short it, like I gotta see something shake. And right now, ain't nothing shaking. Like this market ain't going no fucking where. I could have went and did some other shit today. I mean, agree. I for real, bro. Like I'm feeling you, bro. Like mental capital is important. You come to this market for 2-3 hours, this shit don't do nothing, and you ain't find no trade. Like the market ain't set up the way you want it to. Man, go do something else, bro.
We definitely got nice pullbacks. I think they just weren't you were just looking for a much deeper pullback than what the market was willing to give.
Facts. Yeah, unfortunately the market is only giving fucking 80 points of range today. So yeah, niggas did nothing. Yo, it's all good. So he said, "Sorry, guys, I got everybody excited for no reason."
Yeah, unless it's on like the Forex calendar. I don't like all the other bond news. Like I don't really pay attention to it. I think there's only like 1 or 2 bond auctions that are actually on the calendar.
I don't know. Sometimes them little joints that Jonah find that's not on Forex, them things be moving the market sometimes. And them shits don't be on Forex Finders. So I like to hear it. So nope. Yeah. Right now we're in a 100-point range. We're at the top of the range right now. Let's see what happens. Yep, exactly like we did yesterday. When you was like, man, y'all getting excited for a 60-point range before. And I was like, yeah, but it's before 11 o'clock, which is basically what we get today. We literally got the same price action today. Yeah, bro.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. I don't care what day it is for you. It is Tuesday, sir.
Bro, all day long, bro. I was like, yo, the crazy part is when we pumped, I was like, yeah, I think that's the low of the week. We came back down there, but we never broke it. I was like, yep, that was the low of the week. It's crazy, man. Now we're basically still at the high of the range right now, guys. Like NQ and ES are in a range, right? They look super, super bearish in my opinion at these highs, which they should be. Like if we're in a range, you want to be bearish at the high. You don't want to be bullish at the high, but I would not be starting a new bull position up here. Put it that way. If we're up here, then I'm waiting for the market to either break the high and start a new trend or come back down to the range, to the lows of the range.
Yeah, I agree.
In that case, I would not be trading up here because I'm not shorting this shit. It's not.
Looks like we could be trying to put in an inverse head and shoulders, or a head and shoulders. The only problem is I really want to see us break that VWAP first, because technically that's not really this wasn't.
We were above VWAP. We're back below VWAP again.
No, we're above. That's why I said I want to see us break VWAP first.
Oh, you mean to the downside? Gotcha.
Yeah. If I was gonna short the market, yeah. North African Drake says, at Miss Scrapers, love to see people putting in work, whatever it is. Be a master.
He calling this motherfucker that shit for real now.
Oh yeah, Void is voided. That name is gone. He is dead. North African Drake is in the building.
This feels like a really tough grind up for the Bulls, man. Like just being objective and not being a perma bull. This looks like a very tough grind up for the Bulls. Not gonna lie. Okay. This is not the Bulls I remember.
Talk about commitment. Look, that ICT videos, 5 hours a day, Monday to Thursday. That's insane. That is nuts. Oh, we knew that, but and the homework be so dumb too. It'd be so trivial. But make sure you post it though, because if not, you'll probably kick you out. But whatever.
He kicked Justin out for GP.
Yeah. He kicked me out.
You got the book because you was with that nigga.
I ain't got time. I ain't got time to do no homework for your ass. This Skipper says, did everything else, just got to finish the core content, then practice some more. It was really easy picking up the concepts since I ain't new to trading. Plus, I checked the charts for the patterns and back test and forward test. Dang, I thought there was more. 5 hours a day though, Monday through, that's a lot of content to get through. Yeah, it's free. It's all on YouTube. You don't got to pay for it.
Yeah, it's all on YouTube.
Tuesday and Wednesday we'll give a better setups. Today is Tuesday, Mr. Pot Scrapers. Yeah, you mean Wednesday and Thursday. Gotcha. As long as I catch 30 plus points, whatever else that comes, I'm grateful. Yeah, that's the point I'm trying to look at the market too. Is like 30 points is really, really good, and then everything else after that is like icing on the cake. So I'm with you on that one for sure. And then Micaiah says there's no closing candle on the 5 minute over break structure, higher high, higher low. That's bearish to me. On the 5 minute, there's no closing candle.
There's no candle breaking above 39, right? Like that's why I understand the thesis of being short bias up here. But I'm still looking at this as still bullish. Hey, Jonah, can you mute your mic? I can hear all that wind coming in. You in the windy city out there. Oh, that's Eddie?
That's probably that's either Eddie.
Oh, it's Malik.
Eddie or it's Malik. Oh, it's definitely Malik.
Mute your damn mic.
No, you're not muted.
Well, you always take a walk with this fool.
Nah, you
always gotta go on a walk with him.
Okay.
That's probably a better setting, honestly, because it's been so stupid lately.
Nah, it wouldn't have mattered though. We would have heard Malik regardless, because his win would have thought that he was talking.
Yeah, facts. Oh my God, this price action. So just get long, guys, and hold on forever.
Actually, this area makes a lot of sense for us to be struggling though, because we're back in the area where we were consolidated this morning for like 2 hours.
Yep.
Yeah, we consolidated here for like 2 hours, so it kind of makes sense for us to be chilling here for a minute. I do think we're gonna push higher though.
I do too. That's why I said above this level. Yep, I was about to say above this level, we start stopping out a lot of shorts, and then it's short squeeze time. That's what I think.
Yeah, the 90-minute looks like we could be setting up.
If I stare at this shit too long, bro, I'm gonna see every single freaking pattern known to man, bro. Like I'm not looking at this shit no more. Like go up or go down. Yeah, like bro, like the only thing I see is higher highs, higher lows. We could, and if I start to see lower lows and lower highs, I just invert the chart.
The problem
That's
is
the type of bull I am. Like this motherfucker want to do all of this shit, bro. Like,
yeah, the problem is we're not closing through any important structure.
all right, bringing my stop into profit for $300, locking in 912.75 on the longs.
To be honest, Jonah, it looks just like Google. They look the exact same, and actually, so does Microsoft. They all look the same. It's just Nvidia that continues to push higher, but the rest of them are just consolidating. Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah. I agree with you. Yeah. You said
and Microsoft.
930?
Yeah,
no,
Google, Apple, Microsoft, they all look the same.
100%. Yeah, 11.
Huh?
Yeah, Apple is downtrending, Google's uptrending. They look completely different.
Am I looking at the wrong? Am I looking at the wrong Google right now? Because mine
No,
looks like it's
you just don't
consolidating.
have Google Class A is where you should be looking at.
Yeah, Google Class A. It's just consolidated right now. I mean, it's just
no.
chilling
He's
in the
talking about the
range.
overall day's price action. They're different. So on the day, Apple hasn't moved. Basically, it stayed flat, but it's kind of downtrending from the overnight session, which you can't see. And that's probably why you don't understand what we're saying. Because you don't have overnights, you don't have extended trading hours on, right?
Yeah, so, I'm not looking at the extent. I'm just looking at what's happening currently.
That's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like what happened currently is a concurrence to what happened in the overnight session. It may not be important to you, but this is what happened, right? So Google and Apple are totally different if you're looking at the extended trading hours. So I think Jonah may be looking at the extended version. That's why you guys are on opposite sides of the coin. Yeah. I heard somebody call it electronic trading hours the other day on their stream, like confident as hell too. Like, yeah, you switch over to the electronic trading hours. I was like, I was like, rewind that shit back. He said that shit confident as hell. The electronic trading hours, I was like, is that what that means? You take your ass back and get some damn education. You would at least know what those three letters mean. Jesus.
I mean, it says it when you click on the thing. Electronic do sound good though. It flow nicely.
No, it doesn't.
It sure does. Electronic trading out.
Like it doesn't sound like anything powerful that we're supposed to be going on. Someone leg sweeping video, bro, for real, bro. Like it's the only reason why we keep going higher, bro. Like the market cannot fall as long as Nvidia keeps rallying. Look at this thing, 1122. Who said Nvidia was going down? Yo, bro, I'm telling you, you do not bet against this market while Nvidia is going up. It's only going to eventually bring the rest of the market up. Just keep going, bro. Like, I cannot short this market while Nvidia is at $1,122. Like, I'm not doing it. And climbing. No, bro. Since the opening price was $1,098, we haven't come back down. We're up $122 on the day. And it just keeps going. So that, bro, they up, bro. They up on
Nvidia. He said Nvidia options. Yeah, dude, shit.
At this pace, guys, I think it's going to be a walk away kind of day for me. It's 7 minutes left. I thought about trading other accounts. Yeah, I thought about trading other accounts, but this price action is just not conducive for the way that I like to trade. I need a little bit more volatility. Justin, where'd you go?
Huh? Oh, shoot, my bad. My cord just got flipped up and it flipped my camera up. My bad.
I'm like, where'd Justin go?
It was a magic trick. Now you see me, now you don't.
Yeah, for me, guys, it's 10:53. The market hasn't done anything up until this point, and if it does something later, I genuinely don't care. I've made my money. I've done what I came to do into the markets, and then tomorrow, just kind of working on getting to those next steps of either being funded or just managing the risk. The Tokyo session, London session seems to be moving much better than the New York session. Surprise, surprise. But shout out to people who watched the top-down analysis because this is kind of what I expected. Right? I talked about this being the last week of May. I said it's a shortened week. We just broke above a major high, right? On multiple time frames, we just broke above a high. So we could expect some consolidation, right? And that's basically what we're getting. The market tends to be looking like it wants to still remain bullish, but it makes sense for us to consolidate after breaking through, here, I'll take you back on down memory lane, right? Like from the low, we created a high here. We took it out. From the low, we created a high here, up here, and we took it out with aggressive candles. And then we took out this high right here at 33, right? When you take out all of that liquidity, the market tends to take a little bit of a breather, right? And this feels like a breather day. And on breather days, Hobbs gets smoked. Hobbs makes dumb decisions. So I'm officially closing my Top Step account and I'm ready for tomorrow or potentially Tokyo or London session, depending on what time I wake up. So, Justin, you got any more trades? Anything you want to say? You want to stick around or?
Nah, I'm probably gonna get up out of here too. I'm pretty much just waiting to see if Nvidia is gonna break this rising wedge that I said. If it breaks the rising wedge, I might entertain shorts. But other than that, there's no real reason to entertain shorts at the moment. I would much rather see this like break VWAP, and then come back up and retest. I just want to see some strong selling come into this market before I look to short it, because every single time I've tried to short the market, it hasn't ended too well. So shorts off the table until they kind of like actually show themselves, and then I can look to get short. Until then, I mean, it's pretty much just find a pullback area and go long. I don't see anything else really to do. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I don't want to be a bull. I don't want to be a bull anymore.
I know. I'm tired of being a fucking bull, right? I'm tired of being a bull. Let me sell the market, please. Let me beat you to one time market. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, be very, very careful. All right, brother. Trading in this small little range, right? You definitely want to, at the top of range, be looking to short, but you got to be careful looking to short because the market is just could take you out at any time. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to support the channel, tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Consider using our discount codes that you see scrolling across the bottom or any of the videos. And then if you still want to support the channel even further, or you want to get more education into how we trade, how we look at the market, Discord link is in the description down below. It's the WAP. You can use anything to pay for it. Doesn't matter.
It's the WAP.
Yeah, it's the WAP. WAP. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.